everybody! Hello! Hi. Meow.
Okay, I'm now live. Join the fucking stream together, brother.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, you did, didn't you? Fucking stream together, brother.
Oops. Just heard you because I accidentally opened up your stream on YouTube. There you go. Bro told me to join the stream together twice. Insane.
I'll do it like another 3 times if you want.
Yeah. There you go. Can you turn on share chat?
Right, share chat on.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
there we go.
I was looking, I was waiting.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. I wanted to show you something really cool, by the way, real
Mhm.
quick. So if you take a look at my screen, do you remember how we had the console print stuff that we could do?
Yeah.
So now you can actually do console print with anything. So if I go back to somewhere that's doing it, we'll find out.
Oh, wait, I think I know what you're about to do because you're really cool.
Potentially. So before, let's say I wanted to put the current, the window mouse position, and then also the display dot, or display server dot mouse get position, something like that.
Mhm.
So in the default Godot, you can just do that with the comma. But before,
I didn't
had to
actually know
make
you
it
could
so
do that.
Really?
No,
Yeah, so it'll
I would just
automatically
add
concatenate
strings
them.
together.
No, it's actually
manually.
much better because it does. You don't have to do the string conversion.
Oh, okay,
like
that's
the
really nice.
constructor.
Yeah.
So you can do commas, and I added that to this because before you had to do this, which is ass. But now since we have var args, you can do that. And then also if you wanted to print color, you can do console.print color, and your first argument can be your color,
Oh.
and then everything else afterwards
Oh, whoa.
printed out in that color, and you can see that here.
Wait, does this really work? Chat.
Chat, is this real?
Chat.
Chat. There we go. See?
Mm-hmm. Look at that.
Whoa.
I think we should interview whoever the first person is that types in chat.
Why is this? Godot, you're pissing me off, dude.
Meow, 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 meow. Sorry.
Let me think about this for a second. So I'm trying to fix. So the thing that I'm working on right now is the deck system was a little. It was kind of like a hodgepodge of an old system and a new system that worked, but it needs a little bit of love. And so I'm just kind of recreating it a little bit. So the selection has also changed. So it's more the code is written a little bit better. So a couple of problems that I'd like to fix is whenever you right click before on yours, it does the weird thing where it makes it not it moves the mouse.
Oh, yeah. It might have been my internet. I didn't hear half of what you just said. I think it was my internet.
So what I'll just roll over the entire thing.
Yeah.
So I'm recreating the card selection in deck
Yes.
because the card selection code was terrible. And also had the glitch where whenever you right clicked, it moves your cursor a little bit.
Okay.
It's not doing that.
Okay. It was when you used the card.
It's
Or no, when you equipped the card.
yeah,
I think.
it's some stuff going on. But anyways,
Yeah, I don't remember exactly what it was.
Yeah,
Oh, I think it ended the.
cleaner.
Wait, did it end the stream or the share chat?
Oh, it did,
Yeah.
brother. Also, hello, GJ. Yeah. So one of the issues right now, as you can see, is that it moves the cursor back to the center of the screen, and I don't know why. I might just have to do some weird blocking thing. We'll see. We'll take a look. I was hoping that this would just be fine, but I guess it is not.
I think at some point as well, I also want to reformat my stream and make it look a little nicer. Make some cool pixel art, UI. Maybe a little chat window, stuff like that. I don't know how to do that, but it can't be that hard, can it?
Surely not.
You know, you can also do cool designs like stream avatars and have different places that they can go. I don't know how to do that either. I figured out how to place ladders so they can climb up on the little music preview. because it's funny. And sometimes they will fall out of the sky and land on our heads, and they'll be stuck up there forever. Stream Elements bot running. Learn how to customize the bot here. Can you just ban them from your chat?
Hide user on this channel.
Can I do that?
Does that hide it for everyone, or does it just hide it for...
Yeah, it hides it. It hides everybody. I don't see it either, yeah.
Okay, dude, I just banned Stream Elements from my fucking chat. I don't know how to fix it. I don't know how to turn that off. Also, where did Discord put your screen share? There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's like...
now it says connecting to chat on my Twitch. What is going on? Is my internet dying, or is, like, Twitch dying?
I believe it's your internet issue.
Yeah. Is shared chat still on? Did it turn off again?
It shows that you're not in the stream.
Oh, nice. My stream has ended. What happened? Hello, OBS?
Oh, that's not gonna do shit, is it?
It says that I am streaming on Twitch and YouTube right now. Why is it not working? Let me reload.
Hello.
There we go. Now I'm back. I don't know why it disconnected me. Can you, can I rejoin?
Hopefully.
Yes. Yes, I can.
Oh yeah, and share chat was auto-enabled. Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. So there's some weird shit about this. I might just have to do this weird, gross stuff. So hello, leader Jord. How you doing?
Now Biddy Vision is working. Oh, wait, no, it's because I tabbed out. Nope. There you go. I'm struggling today. Okay.
I guess I don't need the mouse to be hidden. I could just, or not captured. I can just have it be hidden, right?
When you pick a card? Ooh,
yeah, I'm just trying to think of like the...
So are you trying to, do you want it to hide when you like select a card?
Yeah, so the one thing that I'm doing, so there's an issue with it. Which, oh, your thing got held.
Wait, what?
No, Moaz's message got blocked. So the thing that I'm doing is I'm putting it in, I'm locking it to a certain spot, and then whenever I turn it back on, so the spot that's being locked is whenever you captured, it like puts it in the center of the screen. And if I, just do this, it's fine because it like teleports that way. But the problem is if I'm moving constantly, you see how it like, it moves it back to the center because like the Windows is like, no dog, I know what I'm doing, which is kind of annoying, but I think I can
So why is it moving in the first place when you select a card?
What are you talking about?
Like, why do you need to lock it in the center?
I was gonna see if I can hide it now, but the reason I've been locking in the center is so that when you don't drag it outside of the window while you're selecting a card. But I think I can do confined hidden, which is this one.
Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense. You're right. I'm done.
That's okay.
What was I going to say? I was going to say something.
Also, yes, this is the Gay Boy stream.
Wrong.
Oh, this is like moving. And the reason that's an issue.
Yeah, okay. What am I doing?
I don't know. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? What's your play?
I'm opening this. What cards do I have? I know I designed some cards at some point that I didn't end up implementing. I mean, I still need the jellyfish, actually, but maybe I won't do that because I'm lazy. Cards, where's cards? Let's look. Dante 9. Cards. Cards. Is it in new folder? No. Is it in here? No. Oh, right. I forgot I saved the Sprite file somewhere else. Than the folder that I export them to. Because I'm very smart.
Oh, I wonder if
what do we got in here? Got laser pointer. Oh, I got that SMG. That honestly, although didn't you say there's some weird with like holding down
you have to do a little bit of a weird thing, yeah, but it's not like the hugest deal. But I will be making it easier to do in the future.
Okay, maybe I'll wait on that one.
Trying to explain it to you yesterday, I was like, this is kind of cognitive behavioral therapy a little bit. So
yeah, I'm not sure if I want to do cards today. Do I want to do cards today? Look at all the cards. There's so many. Just kidding, like half of them are duplicates or old cards. Box card could be fun.
Used by the old code, it's fine.
Oh, I still have your vision on. Oops.
Fuck, what is that? What am I trying to say? What am I trying to write? What's the... Oh my god. What would this be called? It'd be like giving the mouse back to, like, position mouse. I guess, like, sure, dude, I'll call it that for now. Actually, no, I'll just remove this fucking code. I'll call this warp mouse, because that's what makes sense. And then we will do input dot, or no, sorry, display server dot mouse window mouse position. And I think that's fine. And I can call that here warp mouse. Let's call third, maybe. And then hello, Blink. How you doing?
Hello.
Hello. And then this is going to complain because we don't actually take that function anymore, which is fine. So, yeah, if I keep moving the mouse, that's so annoying. Oh no, that's an issue of a lot of things, I guess. What are the mouse modes? Can I have them? Is there a mouse mode that says, like, you are not allowed to do anything at all? There's hidden, there's captured. It will be hidden and its position is locked. Okay, that's not particularly useful.
Mouse mode, don't do anything.
Yeah, pretty much. Mouse mode fucking stop. Like, mouse? What do we got? What do we got in here? We got mouse mode? That's great. Last mouse screen velocity, terrific. Mouse button pressed, set custom mouse cursor, warp mouse. Buddy, you are gonna piss me off.
TSPMO. Hold up.
So there's really not a mouse mode, like, just sit here and don't exist. Because captured puts it to the center of the screen, which is annoying. Because I don't know. Let me go back to the trophy. It's called mouse selector, mouse card selector. So instead of hide cursor, I can do lock cursor, and this is going to cause the issue for where it looks fine, but if I move it teleports it back to the center, which is annoying.
Oh, I know what I can do. I can implement more of the knockbacks for the different enemies.
Oh, true.
I forgot how we wanted to do it. Did you you write that down? Was that part of the thing that we were talking about? Because it wasn't the attacks. No, that wasn't. Okay.
Nope.
Okay. I think I remember how I wanted to do it then. Yeah, because we were talking about like status effects and like. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, wait. I know what I can do. I can make it hidden. I can say mouse mode hidden. Well, I guess like probably confined hidden if I had to take a guess, but like I can hide it and then we can wait a physics frame and then I can teleport it and then show it again. Yeah, that's not amazing, but I guess you gotta do what you gotta do or something. So we wait at physics frame, move it, and then say input dot mouse mode is equal to mouse mode. Visible. Yes.
Okay, so let's do. So you're the flying guy. Let's go and do the magma guy since I just made him and I know how he works. So the health component automatically registers itself, right?
Did you do that?
I think I
if you
added that.
yes.
I'm pretty sure I added that. I don't know why I'm asking you. I'm the one who wrote that.
Yeah, you did.
But that's what that does.
I don't know why you're
Okay.
asking me either.
I don't know. It was a hypothetical question. I wasn't actually asking you.
Of course not. Okay, it did teleport down still, so I need to. It needs to be a physics frame, unfortunately.
Now that I think about, so wait, how does the? I'm trying to think if there's a practical, because in terms of the components, some of them I feel like we might have multiple of the same component. Is there like do you think there'd be an easy way to make it that if there's like multiple, there's some way to handle that? I'm just thinking.
Sorry, what? You're gonna have to ask that again.
Handling multiple components. Like what if there's multiple of the same components? Do you think there's an easy way we could do that with this current system you have?
Can you think of an example where we'd want multiple of the same component on an object?
Like hitboxes, maybe. I'm not sure. Like you could get like a list of all the hitboxes on a entity or whatever. I don't know, it's just a thought. We could just make it that you have to can only have one.
Currently it doesn't. It wouldn't be the most out of left field thing to add that though, I don't think.
Wait, could I just...
yeah, I think you would want it to be a separate function that's just like add component like to list or something, or like whatever. Because it's currently unique, but we could definitely have just like a list of the same type.
Yeah, I'm just trying to think there's a way that we could do it that wouldn't mean that we would always have to assume that there's a list, but I feel like that would really be the only way.
No, we don't need to. Because we can make the function return the first one in the list if there is a list. Otherwise, if we want to know that there is a list, we can specifically ask for all of them. So if we say like,
because I guess for most
component, hitbox component, we could just have that function check. If it's a list, return the first one. If not, return, the only one that's there. Or we can have get component list.
Yeah, because I feel like most applications we would probably know that it's a list. Is that we have like a list of them?
I would say so.
But what I'm just separate is for the knockback. I'm pretty sure I could just do it on the movement driver. Because I could just have like an apply knockback thing that sets the velocity, or saves the velocity, sets the velocity, move and slide, then resets the velocity.
Sorry, what? Oh yeah, never mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I could just have that on here and connect that to the health component. And I think that would just work.
I believe so, yeah. Okay, so...
Do all the enemies use movement components at this point? Or movement drivers?
No.
Okay.
Nope.
Cool.
Well, actually, hold on.
I think...
Yes. All of the ones that are currently in the levels do. Flying guy does. Ground guy does.
I think the one that I made, the like spawner guy, doesn't. I don't
what are they
think.
called? They're called like fire
goobers. I don't think so.
Oh no, they don't. This wouldn't be hard to make it into a component though. We could just
yeah, I could do that. Yeah.
Yeah, just make it a movement driver. But no, we could. Honestly, I'm kind of leaning towards rather than having this code in here, have it be a component that just registers itself that does like util dot add self and then owner, and have this extend some sort of like movement, like some sort of the base movement class, which would probably just be a node 2D. I think like
So wait, what?
you would just use like that, I think. Does this do anything? It kind of does.
So, okay.
Excuse me.
So, okay.
What's up?
Let me think. So you're saying that instead of like setting itself, setting the owner's movement driver, it just registers
Yes.
itself as a component.
Yes.
Okay, that's not the big difference. Okay,
No.
cool.
I can just code yours, assuming that right now,
yeah.
without changing any of this stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
And it should be fine.
I mean, most of this, yeah, I can probably do that. So I will add the knockback stuff, change it so that way it just registers itself and removes the movement driver stuff, and then change the flying guy to use a movement driver. I will probably also just go and stick a movement driver on the spawner guy, even though he doesn't actually move, but that'll let him just take knockback. Oh, I should
Do
also
you want to have knockback?
I mean, yeah, it's not like
Like
he
it'd be weird
plant.
to have him knockback.
I don't know, maybe. I feel like, I mean, he's not like planted in the ground really.
Planted in the ground.
Ooh, only thing about this is this doesn't have like gravity or anything in it. I guess that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, should be.
Yeah.
Because it should just work for any enemy that does or doesn't.
Yeah,
have
yeah,
gravity.
yeah. Hopefully.
We'll find out.
I'm just gonna supply knockback. And this will take in. How did I do this on the other one? Let's just copy that. Flying guy. Where is your movement? Movement? Okay.
Oh wait, so hold on. Let me know whenever you're done figuring out what you're looking up.
Mm-hmm. I'm just gonna copy these. Yeah, you're saying?
So can you go back to the movement? Yeah. So what are you gonna do there? Sorry, can you repeat like what your plan is?
So okay.
Knockback velocity isn't defined.
Yeah, that never mind, I won't bother with that right now. So this will, in the ready, it'll check if the owner has a health component. If it does, then it will connect that to this here, which we'll call the add knockback based on the attack's knockback.
Okay. And then how are you going to be adding that to the velocity?
I'm going to save the previous velocity, set velocity to the knockback, move and slide, and then set the velocity back to the original velocity.
Is that going to be implemented on every enemy then, I'm assuming?
Yes. Or
Okay.
it'll be on every movement driver.
So I'm assuming that means that you're going to be overriding the physics process function?
What do you mean?
Or are you doing this inside of the movement driver of the specific enemy?
It'll be in the movement driver of... Wait, what?
Will it be in this base movement driver class?
It'll be in the
that's
base
there?
movement driver.
Okay.
And I guess I should
How-
also probably have a tag for, like, not having knockback.
So, one
What do you think?
issue that I could see with this is if you wanted to apply it in the base class, you would have to override the physics process function.
Wait, what do you mean? Why?
So how you're gonna be doing like you're gonna save the velocity off, you're gonna add a knockback, do move and slide, and you're gonna put the velocity back.
Yeah.
Where are you putting that code?
In the add knockback.
In the add knockback. Okay, well that would only knock it back for 1 frame.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I guess I could do it in the,
It's not a huge thing. It could be. So what you could do.
I would probably just put it in like a apply knockback function and run that every frame.
Yeah, I think that would be better.
Rather than just having like some arbitrary stuff in the physics process.
I wonder.
I'm gonna call this
You know what you
add
could probably do,
knockback
actually?
force. So that way we know that's a one-time thing. And then this, you do an underscore if it's not like used by other stuff, right? Because it's just being from a signal.
Typically, yeah, but I don't listen to that one too much. I'll be
Yeah,
honest.
I'm just doing it because I can. Because I'm fancy like that. So, I want to play knockback. I guess I could just define knockback full. Yeah, I'll just define that as a variable.
Here's an idea that you could do.
Yeah.
I think, let me make sure this works.
I don't know why it feels like surprisingly energized today, even though I had a 7-hour shift. So long. So much coffee.
Yeah, so here's what you could do. You could make a function called move and slide in the movement driver class, which does the like velocity is target dot velocity or target dot velocity equals knockback. We'll assume that that's what that says. And then you can do the move and slide, and then velocity is equal to velocity. You can do that in here, and then any of your movement drivers, like here, instead of doing wherever target that move and slide is, body that move and slide, could instead do. Why is it body in here?
Because you called it body instead of target.
In here, weird.
Wait, go back. Oh, that's a getter.
This is
It's
literally-
just getting the owner. Yeah.
I don't know why it wouldn't just be target, but either way,
Yeah.
you could just do like move and slide.
So
which
wait,
would-
where is it calling the move and slide on the regular velocity then?
It's-
But that's only doing the knockback velocity.
No, so it's saving off the velocity. It's adding the knockback.
Oh, it's
and
adding it.
slide
Okay.
out.
Okay, it's not.
So it could be this is our function that we call whenever we want to just have the movement driver move the target.
Yeah. But that would also mean that if we wanted to say have like the one guy that doesn't move but takes knockback, I'd have to write a movement driver for him as well that just says move and slide with no velocity.
I see. Yeah, you're right.
I think it
What
would
are you
probably
doing
be
with him right now?
right now. What do you mean? He just
Yeah.
doesn't move.
How are you gonna do that with him right now?
He would just have this on him and it would automatically do it.
It would apply knockback. It would move him back.
Yeah.
How?
With the apply knockback. I guess I would
Just
also
calling apply knockback.
the movement driver.
The base movement driver
Yeah.
doesn't call that every frame, which means you would need a physics process it.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Is it would have a physics process with that, calling it every frame.
Okay. I mean, that could also
Actually, now that I think about it, I would also need to implement gravity for him as well, so that way he doesn't like float off. So
yeah. So
maybe
also
not.
This, but yeah. I don't know. It's just food for thought. Do it however you see fit.
Okay. I'm thinking. Like, I kind of like
Back
yours, but at the
line.
same time, I feel like that makes it. Like, obviously, we'll know that that's how it works, but that it's just kind of like a change of how you implement things,
Yeah.
like than you would normally. I'm thinking. So with that, it would. I guess it wouldn't be hard because I also want to be able to change the knockback, either disable it or like change like I guess like I could just have like a knockback ratio of like how much it's affected from like 0 to 1. So if it's 0, it just disables knockback, and if it's 1, then it's full power knockback. That way you could have like enemies that produce knockback, things like that. Since obviously, the player's knockback will always be the same, so we probably want to have smaller enemies have higher knock. I mean, we could also even have higher values than 1 that would make it have higher knockback. So like flying enemies could have higher knockback since they're kind of floaty.
Yeah.
If we wanted to.
Yeah. I think it could be. I think that's something that's also easy to change later. as well. So
Yeah.
something like that probably doesn't need super dense
I mean,
thought,
yeah,
think.
it's not that complicated. It's basically just multiplying it by like 1 or 0 or 2.
Yeah.
I could even make an export slider.
I don't understand.
Okay, so I think...
What the fuck?
Because if we have it with the move and slide thing, we'd still need to have a way to either disable it or change the ratio. I guess.
Sorry, what?
I'm probably overthinking. I'm just gonna do it the way I originally thought of.
Okay.
Because that also means I don't have to change like any of the implementation of current movement. Because we then I'd have to go through, change the move and slide, all that. Out to the new move and slide. So this will play knockback every frame. We have the knockback velocity.
This is upsetting. This is very upsetting.
And
I don't like that I have to do this. Buddy, you forgot to start moving. Why are we not moving? Did I fuck something up? The answer is yeah. Yeah, I did.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. This guy.
Nuts. What the fuck?
Okay, we're doing times equals 0.95 to decrease it. I guess we just keep that value. Actually, do you think it would be helpful to make this like a constant saved somewhere that we could save as like an overall knockback? Or for like decreasing it, how do you do we think we would want to have that
do you think we're going to be implementing that number?
I mean, it would be on, or I guess if it's on the movement driver, it'll only be one place. Never mind, I'm dumb.
That's okay. It's like, I mean, it's a good question to ask, but
yeah, I was just thinking.
Yeah, I think it would just be the one place.
Yeah.
So
I guess we could also even make this adjustable for enemies, because some of them we might want to have like really fast slow down. Some of them might be really slow. So I'll also make that.
Yeah, some of them might be
something you can
floaty.
tweak. Yeah, because yeah, I guess that kind of makes for what's more floaty is like how fast they slow down, not how fast. I'll just make them both adjustable. I will even see how do you do the. I feel like export sliders would be useful here because I like sliders. Movement driver. What systems we rewriting?
Rewriting.
Let's see.
Give me a second. I'm sorry. There's some
Vector 2. Well, I am working on implementing knockback for enemies. So when you hit them, they go like wee far away.
There we go. Found it. The deck system needs a little bit of love, and so it's getting a mini rewrite right now. Okay, I'm gonna leave that for now. There is an issue here to do. Warping the mouse doesn't always happen if the mouse moves very fast. I wonder... Oh, changing mouse mode causes you to warp, doesn't it? I think.
To up warping. Call me Mario 64, that way I'm warping.
I don't get it.
I don't know.
Oh, like Mario.
Yeah, like Mario, you know? Like,
Oh, dude, that's
yeah,
sick.
you get it. This guy makes Super
No.
Mario 64 videos, by the way. That's what he's popular
That's
for.
not true. Makes is implied. Where did my veto tube go? Why am I not here? Hello. I'm assuming that means social stream is also dead. Whatever. Yeah, no, that definitely does not work.
target dot velocity. Oh, I'm very smart.
Yeah, like that just doesn't work.
Why is that?
Yes.
Wait, why is this yellow?
Because it's a warning.
Will it tell me what this is?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I see. Oh, it's because I didn't use it. Okay. I was confused. I knew they added that, but I was like, wait, what's the warning? I actually do think that's pretty helpful.
It is.
I like
very,
it.
very helpful.
Because like a lot of times with the warnings, it's like, oh, that's a warning. I'm not going to bother with it because I don't know where it is and I don't care. But if I like run into one,
Yeah,
it's a lot more useful. So we want to save the previous velocity, then the target velocity will be equal to knockback velocity. Oh, no, target dot velocity, not target. And then stupid idiot attempts to code and fails. I already forgot how this works. Oh, I just move and slide now. I'm really slow today. If I act like I don't know what I'm doing, it's probably just me being slow.
So now I have the ability
Even slide.
to go in here. Oh, I just minimized VO2 again.
Target dot
So
velocity.
had a bunch of cards in my hand.
Previous velocity.
You are
And then
gross.
it doesn't matter where I decrease the knockback velocity, right? Yeah. Back velocity.
Mm,
Times equals. This will be. What should I call this? Should this be like. Knockback multiplier. And then. What should I call the like amount that the knockback is multiplied by every
what?
like frame?
Oh, like probably decay. Like
Yeah, knockback decay. Okay.
decay rate or like something like that. And you can either make that be, if you want to make that so that the variable is defined as like a, how do I say this? You can either have it be like a 0.95 multiplier, or you can have it a 0.05, so like it's 5% every frame, or if you want it to be like 0.95 every frame.
Ooh, the 0.5. Actually, that sounds better. Every like
If you
doing
did that,
0.05.
you could just do 1 minus to get the actual amount.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
You could also make it be like a whole number, so it's like 5 instead of 0.05, and then you could divide it by 100 inside of the code. Horizontal selection, it gets clean.
Yeah,
What
I
am doing
actually kind of like the
here?
1 to 100.
Okay.
Wait, no, this is the wrong spot, but whatever. That's okay.
Oh god, what did I do for this again? It was like bar vertical selection. So I would like to add a vertical selection plus equals 1, not 1. Mouse event relative dot y. Ideally, this should be basically the exact same as the system that we had before, just functional a little bit better.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I guess that raises a question of
So wait, if you set a export range, then oh, nice. Good.
you have a compilation error.
Oh. There we go. Look at that. Can we set this higher? No. Okay. Then the limit. Okay. So this, I'll just set this to 10 for now. The multiplier will only be able to go up to 10.
So let me think. So I'm moving it down, and we have if the direction equals the sign of...
Oh wait, it only makes it as wait. Oh, I see. If the step is 1, it doesn't make it a slider.
I don't know. It's probably because you define them as integers in the export range.
Oh, oops. I didn't mean to do that. I want it to be a slider. I want a slider. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Ooh, wait, why is it?
Just ditto things or something. You could probably...
Why doesn't it have a
Control
snap,
Z
a
that.
step?
Yeah, Control Z that back to the 1 and the 100.
Okay.
Like without the periods.
Yeah.
And then change the variable type to float. Like, knockback.
Yeah, I was sorry, I was trying to remember where it goes. I was like...
Or checked every part of the line, he was searching for it. Does that have the step?
No.
No.
I mean, I could just
Okay,
define the
okay,
step
fine.
here. It's okay. Nope, that needs to be a comma. Needs to be a comma. Here we go. It's so
It's
smart,
weird, 'cause I feel
guys.
like it should be...
Yeah, it says that it's 1 by default. It says that it's 1 by default, so... I don't know.
I would make sure that that works. That's a little weird.
Yeah, there we go. I guess it's fine to just have this in the movement driver, because now that I'm thinking about that, maybe we want to have that in the, like, enemy stats.
Maybe
I mean, I don't think it would hurt,
it wouldn't.
so I might just do that.
Yeah, you can. You can do like the if whatever's enemy, blah 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 blah.
Yeah, if...
Yeah. Which feels...
Don't we
yeah,
want...
there's something a little weird
wait,
if you're like
what?
referencing specifically enemy code inside of this.
Is this different?
What's up?
Oh, okay. It's just
Wait,
this...
is there...
This is body, and then we have target here. It's weird, okay.
Oh yeah.
You use body and
there's
target like in
actually-
different places, weirdly.
There's a class called enemy movement driver if you want to add it there. If you want to make whatever extend that, although... Ooh. It's a little
I mean,
weird.
we can
It's
keep this
not-
in here and then just have the enemy movement driver override these.
Yeah, we could.
Like, there's
I
no
think that's
problem with
fine.
that.
Yeah, because I think you could do like funk ready super and say like knockback decays, whatever, and grab it from the enemy info. I think that's fine.
Yeah. Yeah, because I was about to say, wait, why isn't this set as enemy? But it's because this is the generic movement driver. So you want enemy movement driver. Which I don't
Isn't it the
have.
same?
Look at me go. I'm using the, like, quick open thing, whatever it's called.
He's learning, he's learning, he's learning.
And look, I use enter to open it instead of clicking on the open button.
Oh my god, he's gonna be using Vim in a week.
It's kind of what's Vim. Hey, who says I'm not funny?
If vertical selection is less than 0, I would like to say
Guy who watches reels at the stoplight.
guy who watches TikToks at the stoplight.
Why is there a sandwich in chat? Oh wait, it's like a is that a hot dog like mixed with a sandwich? It's like half
Have
a
you
hot
s-
dog, half a sandwich. Wait, no, the middle one's is still a hot dog. I can't tell. Is that a hot dog or a
That is
sandwich?
just a dog. That's a hot dog.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
fuck, that's just a hot dog.
The middle one looked like a sandwich, and like the outer one looked like a hot dog. I'm just saying.
Yeah, okay. Have you seen the really high quality spinning sandwich?
No?
No?
No? Why is it so high quality?
What if I told you that this is not the only one?
What? What is this? What am
What
I
if I
looking
told
at?
you? What if I told you
What?
that there's a website?
Dog, why isn't this in Scrandle? Hello, why don't we have a spinning sandwich Scrandle?
Look at this one, dude. This is sick.
No, that one's kind of fire. I would eat that. I would eat that. That's the one's getting my vote. Did you see the Scrandle that was like just hot dogs or sausages?
Yeah.
And it was
Yeah,
like
dude, a lot of
so
them were
bad.
terrible. Sorry, this is supposed to
very
be,
funny.
Yeah, this would be minus equals because we're doing reverse numbers and things.
No, I forgot what I was doing.
Numbers
Oh
are
yeah, I'm
reverse
setting the
numbers.
knockback based on the thing, you know?
Why isn't this working? Console.print direction and vertical selection.
So why do I have to call
Let me
super?
see it. Huh?
Why do I have to call super here? You said to call super?
Because of the stuff that's happening in the movement driver base function, which is registering itself to the owner.
Okay.
Control click movement driver.
Yeah.
Ready.
Mm-hmm.
And ready, it's doing that stuff. So you're just supering that to call all of that stuff.
Although this will be replaced with the component thing.
It will be replaced, yeah, but for now I don't need super, unfortunately.
I mean, even if it's replaced, we'll still need to register it. So like, we need to do it again. So if you extend the thing, it doesn't automatically call the ready function on the
No.
parent class. Okay.
Nope.
Cool.
You have to do super to specifically do that.
Is it the same for like physics process too?
Yes, it's the same for any function.
Oh, okay. So if I do apply this here, I'll have to call super for every physics process.
Well, no, because you would just call apply knockback.
Oh, okay. I was going to apply knockback in a physics process in here. Can you not do that?
Yeah,
It
so
might
that's what I was talking about with, that's why I was talking about the function called like move and slide,
Oh, okay.
where you just call that inside of
makes
any movement driver.
more sense, because that's why I was like, why don't we just do this and have a, so I can't just put a physics process in here.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes things a little bit more complicated.
Yes, a little bit.
Because I was just gonna have it do
It's
that,
not
and then
the
it would
hugest
just
deal.
automatically do that. Yeah, it's not a big deal. I guess I could just apply. I think it would still be simpler to just call apply knockback.
Yeah,
In
You
whatever
can do that.
parent class.
Hold on. There's something. I don't like having a function called apply knockback that you call instead of, because like let's say if I go to like ground or fire movement. It's this
Oh,
guy.
we have your screen on. Rip.
So let's say, so I'm doing this stuff. Let's imagine we don't have knockback velocity. So this is our
Mhm.
current movement driver. So what are you saying we should do here? Like what would be the order of operations for this section of code?
That's a very good question.
Because I think you were saying you would just call apply knockback here.
Yeah.
So the problem with that is this doesn't say that we're moving. This just says apply knockback, which makes it sound like we're only moving it along the knockback.
Yeah.
Is that what we're doing?
Wait.
Oh, well, I guess
what do
never
you-
mind. I guess we are.
I'm
Because of the way that you're
confused
doing
what
it.
you're saying.
Never mind. Okay, I'm looking at your code right now. I thought that what you were doing and what I've been doing is this thing where I'm adding the knockback to the velocity.
No.
Yeah, and it looks like you are setting the.
I'm
You're doing
setting
this.
it. Yes, and then resetting it
You're
back.
doing that. You're move and slide. So your class order would actually be something like this.
Yes.
Okay. That's not terrible. I don't know what the performance is that on that, but I think it should be fine.
Okay. I'll try that
Um,
with like the magma guy and see how that works. Will this work? Let me
hmm.
I don't need to do the thing where it automatically does this. We'll keep that in for now. I think all I need to do to make this work is in the magma slime. In here, we just need to do apply knockback. Oh yes, and I also need to.
It needs a delta. Yeah.
Oh wait, what does it need delta?
It would need a delta, and you would need to use the delta lerping thing that we have.
The what?
So that it's not, because if the game goes into frame slowdown,
Oh yeah.
what would, it would like tick away at the same amount of percentage.
So should I multiply this by delta?
You can do. Someone had dropped a delta smoothing thing for timescale. You can just do delta dot or util dot get lerp speed and pass in the amount in delta.
Oh, does it?
From what I saw, it works. Yes.
Okay, it really works this time.
From what I saw, it works.
Okay.
Allegedly.
And this is for get lerp speed
so
delta.
that is the amount that you're passing in. It's the normal amount that you would pass in, and like
But
so the
I don't-
function parameters are
What?
the.
What am I doing?
Okay, so what were you doing before?
Before I
Multiplying it
was
by the
multiplying
decay
it by the decay rate. Yes.
Okay, so you would
So should I put the decay
pass
rate
yes.
in here?
would put that as
Okay. In here.
Also, I don't think that was gonna work the way you thought it would
Yeah,
with the
it
decay rate.
would. That's how I did it on the flying guy.
Isn't the decay rate set to like 0.05 or like, it's set to 5 right now, right?
Oh, yeah.
Which means
Yeah, since I
you would
changed
need to
that,
do
no,
a
it wouldn't
couple
work.
of-
No, you're right. You're
It
right.
would increase the velocity by 5 every single frame, and it
Yeah,
would just fly
yeah.
off the fucking screen.
You're right. So let me just
So you need
ignore
to
this
map
for
it
now.
from.
So that would be
Yeah.
don't we just divide it by 100?
Almost. I mean, go ahead and try it. Well, like write that out, and then we'll like step through what that does. So you have 5. I'll make that a 0.0, by the way, so it's not an integer
Yeah.
division. So let's say it's 5 right now, divided by 100. That means it's 0.05. And you're multiplying the knockback velocity by 0.0.
Oh yeah. So it needs to be
Which
times.
means it would now only be 5%.
It needs to knockback decay rate one minus this.
Yes.
Let's go. I'm so smart. Wait, is there a way to? Oop. Oh,
There, wait, what?
go to
What are you trying to
the
do?
like the end of a line.
Home and end on your keyboard.
Home? Where's home?
Above your arrow
What's
keys.
home? This button
Above your arrow
exists.
keys.
What is this button? What is it? Home and then.
Home above, directly above your up arrow, like 2
Oh,
keys above
okay.
that, probably.
Wait. Oh, what? That's not a real button.
Brother.
That doesn't exist. I mean, I see it, but like
Brother,
I've never seen that button before.
you've never...
I've literally never hit that button in my entire life.
Dog, I literally use that shit all the fucking time.
I
when I'm
have
programming.
never touched that button. I swear
like,
that is the
it's so
first time I
handy.
have used that button.
Yeah, you can do that with end as well. Like, you can do...
What?
It's like, if you want to... So if you wanted to select the entirety of a line, you can hit end to go to the end of it. Hold shift and hit
What?
home. And select the entire thing. Yeah. Also, if you hit control home, it takes you to the top of the file. Control N takes you to the bottom.
Huh?
So control... Brother. Oh my god. Dude, non-programmers learning about keyboard shortcuts is crazy. It's not even keyboard shortcuts. That's just something in
It's
every text editor
cool.
ever.
I didn't know you could do that.
Did you know if you do control shift left, it'll highlight the entire word?
Wait, the entire
Like,
word.
go to knockback velocity.
Control shift.
Yeah, or like something like that. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Yeah, it'll jump between words if you're holding control, and then shift is just a modifier that makes it highlight whatever you're jumping through.
There's so many things.
Brother.
I didn't know.
Okay, let me think about like what else could you not know about?
Literally everything.
You know about page up and page down, I'm assuming, which is that it takes you Like it jumps up a page and down a page.
Yeah, I mean, I've like never used that, but yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's pretty
Lord.
self-explanatory, you know? Okay,
Lord,
so, and then
yeah.
so do I want to pass this into the get lerp speed?
Yes.
Okay, so the get lerp speed will, if the delta is
If delta
like
is
normal,
1, it will stay the same.
it will stay the same. Okay.
Yes. Or not 1, sorry. If delta is the same, yes.
Yeah.
It should. We'll find out, but it should.
So the
Honestly,
amount
you could
goes
try this
here,
without
and
calling
then,
the function first, but yeah.
well, we'll know because this, actually, I could have like written this wrong or something, but
Yeah.
whatever.
I was like, that's why you should call it first, but normally. And then
Oh, thank you for the follow, Celtic Manga. Celtic Mango.
Celtic, brother.
Celtic.
Celtic.
What are, I don't know.
Celtic, brother.
Aren't they called
that
like the
card's functional.
Celtics or whatever?
Yeah, the Boston Celtics are, but like
Yeah,
the actual
that's-
word is like Celtic.
How am I supposed to know the difference? Nobody ever says it's Celtic, okay?
Is it Celtic or is it Celtic? Are you a Boston Celtics fan or are you like the word Celtic?
What kind of game is this? It's kind. Oh, wait. What?
Celtic? Nice. Let's fucking go.
Member knockback
Good.
velocity already exists. Oh, did I already?
Oh, because the
Oh, wait.
the flying
Oh,
guy
no.
has his undefined.
Yeah, let's.
Yeah, you can
I
just you can kill that. You can also probably kill the add knockback method for. Well, no, it's fine. You can just leave it.
Yeah, because it's not gonna call that, so it will work.
Yeah.
Celtic. Okay,
Like
fine.
nationality. Yeah. Okay. Fair enough.
Fine, you
JW,
win.
do you know where Celtic is?
It's
like
like
what nationality?
Ireland, right?
Oh shit! Nice. Let's fucking go. Yeah.
I
not
knew
nationality,
something.
culture, Sorry.
It didn't
Yeah,
work.
actually-
Nil, invalid operands, nil, and float.
Is the K rate?
Oh, did I
fine?
not just set the where?
Hmm?
Oh, it's 0.
Ah.
Oopsies. Wait, no, it's not 0. That wasn't the multiplier. Did I? It's the
Okay,
K
hold on,
rate.
hold on. Nil and float. Knockback velocity is no, it couldn't be.
Knockback decay is
Uh,
5.
Can you go to the evaluator tab and then type in knockback decay rate? Okay,
5.
that's 0. Oh, that says 5. Sorry, I can't read it.
Yeah, I need to get nitro.
and then can you do
Oh, I've been on
knockback
Biddy
velocity?
Vision this whole time. I'm sorry.
Oh, nice.
Nobody wants to see that.
Can you also toss that knockback velocity in there?
Knockback velocity, okay. Did I spell it wrong?
Cool. Probably. You can just copy and paste it from the thing. Oh, Lord. No? Okay, it might just be broken because of the update. Might be.
Watching
Are
these
there
two
errors
cats
in
yap to each other is more adorable than I expected. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Alright. Can you go to the errors tab?
Errors. 33 of them.
Nothing at the bottom. Can you go to the output? Or wait, what does that say? Sorry. Oh, that's for okay. Oh, this is This is in the
Oh, in
does that
the
say slime movement driver?
yes, it's right here.
Because that expected nil and float
So knock
in operator divide. So nil. So knockback,
so knockback decay rate is nil
somehow.
somehow.
That doesn't make any sense. It should be a float.
Wait.
Also, is the slime movement driver? Why is
This isn't the slime movement driver. I don't know why it's saying. Oh, because slime movement driver is what's calling apply knockback.
Apply knockback is being called by slime movement driver.
Yeah, because this is slime movement driver here, and it's
This is
calling
override?
apply knockback.
Oh, okay, I see. Okay, never mind, I see.
Yeah.
Kind of, but not really. What?
Where is this now? Oh, this is still slime. Here.
Yeah.
Let me try-
I don't know why.
What if we get rid of this? Just make sure.
Yeah, if you just like set it to that. I mean, it's yeah, you can try it. It looks like the error is happening on the division.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think this will work either.
You got an
So,
extra frequency at the start.
we'll skip that just so we can add the. We'll try this.
Also, sorry, yeah. My former kitty with a Glock with deck building and stickers, pretty much.
Pretty much. Let's see.
Sorry,
It looks like it's working
watching
now.
mainly, I'll put him on so you can actually see this as well.
It looks like it's working now.
Oh, it is. Why the fuck?
Yeah.
Can you add?
I mean, the
function
knockback
again?
doesn't actually do anything, but. Okay. Wait,
Why did you keep? He kept like edging the close button.
What?
You kept like going to close it, and you were like, "Ah, never mind. Give me a second." And then you just like would shoot the slide.
That was not intentional. So knockback
Okay,
multiplier is
you-
1. The K rate.
Yeah, can you toss the
0.5.
till get whatever back
Yeah.
again? Just because I'm curious.
Can I just read?
Also,
wait,
I know
this
what the
setting
issue
this.
is.
Oops.
Um,
There we go.
you're yeah, but you can add that.
Oh, whoa.
Whatever.
Nope. More? One more? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, then we need
Then
delta.
you get past delta. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry about his screen quality, by the way. He still hasn't bought Nitro.
Yeah. But he still hasn't bought Nitro for me.
That's not how that works.
So this doesn't have a... What? This doesn't even have a division in it, so it can't be in there.
Yeah, it was definitely the division on the line. Like on
Yeah.
the actual line.
Oh, wait, where am I now? Oh, I'm back up here.
I don't know, man.
There we go. Okay.
Yeah, give it a little run. See what happens.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe it was just when it ran, or...
It might have been a little fucked up.
yeah. Yeah, it works now.
Yeah, I think it was just fucked up.
Okay.
I can tell you what's happening though, I think.
Why it's not working?
I think I know why. And I think the reason is because you have your 1 there doesn't have a decimal, so it's doing integer subtraction and getting converted back to a 0. Because it's
I didn't know
truncating,
that was a thing.
I think. I may be wrong on that one. Because I don't 100% know what order it gives us things in.
Well, it doesn't appear to be doing anything still. I'm pretty sure that has knockback. I know this has knockback. Yeah, no.
Okay. Give it a little print C and see.
Print the knockback velocity.
Yeah, you can do before you do move and slide, you could also just print the target velocity.
Yeah, let's do that. Make sure that's actually getting set.
Yeah. The comma thing that I showed, by the way, is not in the code right now.
Yeah,
I
that's
didn't
okay.
set up yet.
Yum yum yum. Yeah, if he has my
So it should be 0
screen up,
right now.
you can
Yeah.
watch my stream for high quality.
That's true.
Yep, 0.
Okay. Did you ever connect the health component signal to add knockback?
No, I didn't.
Is that the problem?
Yeah, that's the problem.
All right, back to my side. Kind of funny.
So, if
So what did we learn?
target dot no wait, wait. I got
You
this.
don't?
I know what this
You
is.
got it. Okay, he's got it. He's got it. Don't worry.
Dot get component target and health component.
Hey, what am I doing here? And display wrong place. Okay, select. Need you.
I guess I could save the health component out into a variable temporarily, just so it's a little bit cleaner. Because I'm very good at writing clean code.
Mm-hmm. This is true. If I right click, yeah, so we'll start by selecting that.
If I bind or whatever cast this to a health component, if they don't have a health component, it won't cause any errors, right? It'll just be null.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
And this way I can they'll know that's a health component, so I can access the actual signals. Meow, meow, meow.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Sorry. Why am I scrolling through here? It's attack something attack received.
It was literally like in the first selection of code that you had, and you're just like, dude, I'm gonna go look through everything we got in this code. It's like, damn, bro, those are options.
Really smart. Oh, hold up, my window's wide open and it's dark outside. I'll be right back.
I was so scared of the dark. I think I would like to multiply this by 2 if this was the case. I think this is what I want to do.
There we go. Now people can't stare at me while I stream.
Selection.
It's terrible.
Lamp F. Critical selection.
Attack received that
minus
connect to you know what I'm saying? Add not
Very well.
this is on hello on hit knockback.
All right, brother, you got this.
I like can't type or talk or code or anything.
On.
I think that works. We got this.
Then 0. And we will add the horizontal stuff. So I think now I can have this. Yeah, so it only changes your selection.
I'm getting numbers. They
Nice. Is
don't
it doing
look
they're
correct.
very small numbers?
Yeah. Wait, if I slow down time, does that make it print slower? So I can actually read them.
Print slower, but the values would change slower.
Oh,
They
okay,
would
yeah, I guess
change
that would work.
less over time.
Let's just do that. Cause I can't read them. I can't tell exactly what numbers they are. That didn't help.
Are you still using the util thing?
Yeah, I think it doesn't work.
Well, what's the value that's being added to it? Whatever, just get rid of it and do it without it.
Well, that's because it's
for now.
Is it because it's multiplying?
What? No. It
So
should
get LARP
be-
speed.
okay,
If the delta is higher, or the delta is thinking. If the
Thinking.
delta,
Ooh.
so if time is slow, the delta is higher. Yes.
Yes.
So-
No. No.
No,
Time is slow, the delta is lower.
it's lower.
Yes.
Okay.
For each successive frame, because like you're going to be processing things 10 times as slowly, so it's 1/10 of the normal delta speed.
Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, this multiplying shouldn't make a difference.
Ideally, I'm gonna find out if that is the case though. Like let's say that you were multiplying this by like this. What would you look like? You're not printing at all.
You know, literally what I could do. So wait, no, that wouldn't work, would it? I'm trying to think if there's a way.
Oh, this does not work the way that I thought it would. Weird. Oh wait, we have things that we can do. Oh my
is
god,
it-
wait, why haven't we thought of this?
Huh?
I know what we can do. Let me brain for a moment.
Okay. Brain.
Oh shit, a rat. If you want to
Holy
apply a
cow.
non-frame rate based, here I'm gonna have you write some code real quick. So line 68.
Yeah. Okay. 68. There's no line 68.
Oh, is that what fucking number is that? 48.
This one here.
Sorry,
48.
it
Here.
looks like.
Can you see it
68.
now?
Okay,
Can you see it
thank you.
now?
Yeah, now we can see it. Okay, yeah. So kick down a line.
Mm-hmm.
We'll call this var, like we'll call it delta step, or so. We'll just call it delta step. And set this equal to knockback velocity times. I guess it would be, yeah. Times the 1 minus decay rate
Where's the
divided by
multiply
100.
button? There we go. What am I putting?
So
what?
just like grab that section in the first parameter in your function and just like paste it there. Extra parenthesis. Okay, so that's our total normal step. So go ahead and replace the util get lerp speed with that with that variable real quick. So just like knockback velocity equals.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
yeah.
I guess it would be knockback velocity times that. Shit, hold on, let me think about this for a second. Get rid of the 1 minus part.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and the minus part. Is there a minus symbol there? I couldn't tell.
Yeah, there was.
It's really hard to see. Oh, there was. Okay. So what we have here is we are taking the velocity and we're multiplying it by our rate. So if it's a 5% slowdown, this is going, our variable on line 49 is going to be 5% of our current knockback.
Mm-hmm.
So if we wanted to apply the slowdown, we can do minus equals on line 50 instead of times equals.
Oh, okay.
So this is like doing the same thing as multiplying it by 0.95. Now, the reason we want to do this is because if the game slows down, we want to scale this down. So if game's running at half speed, we want that to go down by half of the normal speed.
Yeah.
So what we can do is we can add a times engine.timescale onto the end of that.
Here? Here?
Either there or on line 50.
Okay.
Either one, whichever one makes sense to you. We can make a utility method for this later, but...
Okay, sure.
So that should hopefully work. We'll find out.
It might work.
We'll find out.
Oh, well, he's getting knocked back, so that's good.
He is. Okay.
I need to figure out how to better calculate, like, the knockback angle. Because right now it's like...
It's just from the attack. To the
yeah, it's from the attack. So, like, the attack, if, say, I don't know what's the best way to demonstrate this.
It's like the origin of the
Yeah,
attack.
say, like, the enemy is on this, like, edge here. If I hit here, the attack is on the left of them, so it'll hit them to the right. So I'm like, I don't know the best way. Maybe what we could do is on attacks include like a knockback
same thing.
point or something like that. No. Maybe.
No, I think we do what you mentioned last stream that you seem to have forgotten about already.
Did I?
Yeah, which is attacks can have a knockback angle that they're going to send at.
Yeah, but
or like a knockback vector or whatever.
But that
So if we want something to
wouldn't
pop them up in the air.
that wouldn't change whether it hit, like, if their knockback vector is up, it won't change that if I hit them here, they'll still get knocked to the right.
What?
Because it's the knockback vector is a mixture of the position to the enemy and the like knockback vector.
We can also change the way that this works. So it could take in the rotation of the attack. Since all attacks by default face to the right, you can get their, like, if the attack is facing left, knock them in the left direction rather than seeing where the attack started and where the enemy is.
Actually, yeah, that makes sense.
Happening in,
because even if you hit them, like, even if they're like on top of you and you hit this way, you still want them to. Yeah, you'll always want them to.
That way.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah.
There might be some cases where we don't want it to do that, but.
Yeah, there might be. I don't know. We'll find out.
We can always add like tweaks for that, because like for example, like the bowling ball, if that like rolls along, we don't want that to be based on the rotation.
Yeah.
But like I'm sure we can have something that's like shit based. Ooh, there's something. What happened there? Something was weird. Where?
What happened?
There's the background like cut out there for a second, and now I can't recreate it. Where was my mouse when I did that? Oh, there it was.
Oh,
I think it's just like the
I think the parallax layer's
yeah.
wrong. It's got like the wrong number in it or something.
Yeah. I think that's the farthest back one.
Yeah, it looks like it.
That shouldn't be hard to fix. I'll figure that out at some point. Okay. But it appears that the knockback works on that guy. Let me test it with the gun, make sure that works okay. Like writing code that like works, you know?
Oh, I understand. I know what I'm doing here. So I would say visual dot stream to target.
Now that I actually use this, I'm thinking... we might want to have like a maximum of how much they can be knocked back. Because
Yeah,
if I do this, if I like shoot them a bunch, he goes like flying back. Ideally, I kind of just want him to like be pushed back a little bit and then stop. Or maybe not stop entirely. Because that's like kind of how Gungeon does it. It like pushes them back a little bit, and if you keep shooting them, they kind of just get like stuck.
Yeah. So I think one thing that you could do is whenever you're doing add knockback, alright, I don't even know how you exactly would do this. I think whenever you're adding the knockback, could you just set the knockback? I guess you could. Instead of adding knockback, you could just say set knockback.
Yeah, we can just try that, see how it works. So instead of this, we just want to set it equal to knockback.
Yeah, you just give that a try. You don't have to change the function name yet either.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's gonna feel good.
It might. It might not.
It might not. It might actually feel worse depending on how quickly you can shoot them and how fast it decays.
Oh, so I can't add cards? Oh, there we go.
Yeah, the console's in the front of things.
And that's actually a lot better.
Okay. Yeah, I mean there is like technically a theoretical limit as well because of the decay rate. So like eventually...
if the decay rate's high enough, yeah, like it won't let you.
Yeah, sorry, the on-screen console's in the way. You could grab a... Oh, it's because I changed them all to rich text labels, I think.
That also kind of like gives it more impact.
You can also probably remove that console print now.
Yeah, I think there's another console print as well somewhere. Yeah, there's one there. And then I think there's also one in the flying guy.
Why the fuck did these guys appear, dude? Oh, because start position is not...
I should add a gun that just like doesn't do any damage and just deals knockback. Oh. Oops. I need to add knockback on the on the flying guy. Wait, Biddy.
What's up?
Your code uses the knockback when he shoots.
You can probably just kill it.
Just kill the knockback when he shoots?
No, like kill the knockback from the code. Like,
but your code,
What's up? Mm-hmm.
when
Where?
the flying guy shoots, he deals knockback on himself. Remember?
Yes.
That doesn't work because I had to remove the code that adds that knockback and replace it with the new one.
Sorry, what code are you looking at right now? What is that?
Okay. This I accidentally
This is the
ignore that. That's
shooting component.
let me look.
Yeah, is there?
It is in add knockback here in the fire movement driver. It's called fire movement driver. Whatever.
Shooting component.
Wait, why is that?
The.
It's just the node name. That's just the node name. Okay. Yeah. So
Yeah,
here
so if
it's
you-
adding this.
Oh, so go to click on the flying fire movement node in the scene tree down there, bottom right, flying
here.
fire movement. Yes, scroll
Oh,
up.
here. Wait, that's
Scroll
where I
up.
just was.
Yeah, enemy movement driver. Ready is super. What? If you click.
All right. What are
wait,
you
wait,
confused
sorry,
on?
hold up. I'm gonna put you on screen real quick. So, sorry, I'm trying to figure out where everything is. So the error is in projectile shooting component. Can you click on projectile shooting component in your scene tree? Is that? Wait, where is it getting movement from? Can you scroll up to the definition of movement inside of this file? Oh, you had clicked on the wrong. Okay, I see it. Yes, a flying fire.
Movement here.
What's the
Flying
function
fire
called inside of
movement.
movement driver that adds knockback? Is it called add knockback?
Inside of the movement. My function or your function?
Your function.
My function. I don't know.
Double click add knockback. Backspace.
A backspace.
Control.
Add knockback force.
See that? There you go. You're good.
Okay.
That should be it.
Okay. Yeah, I guess that's fine. That just means that the player can like cancel the flying guy out of his knockback, but we'll see how that feels.
I think that's probably fine.
I guess this is also good because then that will mean if we adjust the values in terms of like the delay or like the ratio and stuff.
Mhm.
What kind of effects does Gungeon do when the player gets hit in terms of the bullet, I wonder? Because
I
right
don't know.
now it looks kind
There's
of
usually
bad.
like some kind of like strike particle that happens, but
Ooh, that could look good.
they're not moving anymore.
They are moving. They
no,
just
they're
aren't
not.
moving. They're playing the
They're not
animation.
moving.
Look, they're playing the animation. They're just not moving.
What?
I mean, this works. Oh, that was weird. Why did it go down?
Because that was the direction that it got hit on by the pistol.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah.
Oh, because it's based on... Yeah.
Yeah.
So again, it should be based on the rotation of the gun. Although now that I think about it, how
Wait, I don't understand.
would we communicate that? I don't know.
We would communicate that via checking the velocity of the bullet.
Yeah.
Like on impact, we can say if velocity is moving up and to the right, knock this motherfucker up and to the right. Can you go to the code real quick? Ooh,
Oh,
launch you
okay,
back
sorry.
to Mizuki. Let's fucking go.
I was having too much fun playing my game.
Yeah, you're not calling move and slide anymore. You remove move and slide, right? Or no, hold on. Sorry, this is not. Sorry, can you go back to flying fire?
Flying fire? Yes, target, move, and slide. Did I like accidentally delete? Let me look. Let me just...
Oh, no. I know what it is. I know what it is. Go back to what you just had, like Control Shift Z. I know what it is. I see it.
Oh, wait, no.
Okay, go back to... No, yes, you're good. Like, you can Control Shift Z to bring it back. Because I know what the issue is. Oh my god. Control Shift and Z and just hold it down until it stops doing anything.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Okay, now, don't press anything else.
Okay.
Scroll down.
Wait, what does Control-Shift-C do?
Give it a second.
Okay.
New line on 41.
What do you want? Okay.
Target dot velocity equals velocity.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so what's your
okay.
question?
What does Control
About
Shift
Control
C
Shift Z?
do?
Okay, do Control Z
Yeah.
like 2 times or 3 times or whatever. Control Shift Z brings it
Oh,
back.
okay. I always did Control
Redo.
Y.
Yeah, that's like the old Windows shortcut, but I hate Control Y because it makes no sense because it's like Control Z to remove it, Control Shift Z to like add it back.
But then that's like 3 buttons. I never
The only
liked
change
it.
is that you have, well, because you hold pinky on Control, you hit Z with your middle finger, and then if you want to redo, you hold Shift and then start
You
hitting
hit-
Z still.
Wait. I guess you do
Yes.
it with your... Wait.
What are you
Let me
pressing
think.
the buttons with?
I'm trying to... Now that I'm thinking about it, I can't do it. Let me go do something else real quick, and then... Wait, I don't know what... wait. I don't know what finger I
no,
used.
I broke his brain. Uh-oh.
Wait,
Sorry. He has no fucking clue what he's doing.
I think I use my...
Alright.
I think I use my pointer finger?
What?
It depends on the...
you use your pointer finger.
Like ring finger
See?
on Control and like pointer finger on C?
Ooh.
Maybe?
Ooh.
I genuinely don't know. They all feel
It's fine,
wrong.
don't worry about it. Just type some shit later. And then...
They all feel wrong.
Holy, dude. Oh my lord, that's disgusting, by the way. Like,
No, I bet
why are we
that doesn't
running
feel
so
right
slow?
either. But like none of the other ones do either. I don't... I think I'm going insane.
Why is Dante's 9 running at like 12 FPS?
Because
something up
I
somewhere?
wrote it. Okay, did they like move now? Yeah, there we go. Oh, the knockback's actually better now because that means when they do like their triple shot, they don't like go flying back.
Yeah, it's not like compounded or whatever.
Yeah.
Sorry, why is this running at
Do they have avoidance?
208
I feel like they aren't
frames?
avoiding each other very well.
They don't. They don't have
Oh,
avoidance,
okay.
so-
I was like, why are they all stuck together?
Their things are dashes and not like actually querying the navigation agent.
I see.
Oh, objects. Oh, we're making a fuck ton of objects. What are they? What's being made?
Did we finally find what is making the game run terribly?
No, this is a new thing. This is
Oh,
something
okay, that's
new
awkward.
that I think I did somewhere. Right? What could it be? Just while we're sitting here, is there anything that is... There's no physics process function in this. There's a
Uh-oh.
physics process here. This isn't... Is it tweens? Is it because of this? If I said about that? It wouldn't be tweens, because tweens aren't... Profiler, or monitor. Objects. They're not going up. But if I said to card hover minutes, does it? Oh no, there's no cards. Duh, so it's not going to do it either way.
The knockback feels really nice. I like it. I just need to add it to the ground guy now, which he also uses.
Hello.
The worm guy does not use a movement driver, right?
He does.
Oh. Does he?
Oh, wait, that one maybe not actually.
Ah!
The boss
Died.
does.
I'm on one hit. Gonna die.
Holy shit, dude, he sucks at his own game.
Ah! I died.
Oh, and he died.
Rip. And it broke because there's a flying guy in the
Hello,
scene.
Mr. Liberty, how you doing?
Hello.
Welcome to
Okay, so
Northern
this is-
Lion Plays Enter the Gungeon episode 3,025,000.
That sounds about right to me, yeah.
Yeah.
On card hovered. Or visual in visuals. So what am I doing wrong? The answer is probably a lot.
Yeah.
Card hovered, on card hovered. Is it
So
themes?
here's
Am I
the
making
real
fucking
test, is if
themes?
we go to...
Timers.
Nope, no, not Control Shift P. It's Control P, right?
Wait, are these not-
Yeah.
Can I not, a timer. Shouldn't this be killed every single frame? Is it the timer that's happening? I guess we'll find out.
Let's zoom out so that way I can like actually read this. So on ground. Wait, what is? Where does it tell me what file I'm currently in? Because it like it
Hover
feels
on the. Sorry. Where? Which part are you talking about?
like which at the bottom? At the bottom?
Stack trace.
No, no. In terms of just like which one I have open. Oh, here, right here. Okay.
Oh.
Because I
sure.
always end up looking over here, and it's like there's colors, there's like very faint highlights. It's like which one do I have selected? I can never
it's the
tell.
one that's the most highlighted. It's actually, I want to say maybe that's definitely a theme issue.
It might be.
On mine.
Oh yeah, it
right
kind of
now,
is a theme issue.
It's definitely an accessibility theme.
Why is it not
you should
highlighted?
update your passive star theme. I think he may have addressed that.
Oh,
actually.
okay. Yeah, I don't think I've updated since I like got it.
Yeah.
I'll do that someday.
Yeah. Okay, it is scene tree timers almost certain.
I'm gonna go ahead and fix this and say if player.player. Because it's annoying to have this crash every single time.
Okay.
I think there's other places that it crashes too if there's no player, but I don't care. Do that, and then in here, where are we? This is physics process. Right before move inside, we just do apply knockback. Okay, now here's where we see if this actually works. So theoretically, nope. Oh, I accidentally zeroed.
Okay,
Oh.
so is it the scene tree timer?
Oh, I have the game running, that's why it won't let me save. Wait, what? Wait, why wasn't it letting me save? It was saying like, oh, there we go. What? Unable to write file.
Attempted to free a ref counted object. Are you flicking my nuts right now?
Wait, it's saying unable to write file. What does that mean?
It's because you have the thing open. If it keeps doing that, just project reload current.
But
it's because Windows has a lock on it, and Godot is trying to also do things. Huh?
Close. Oh wait. Oh no, I didn't. Oh, that was weird. I closed the window, but it didn't actually close it.
It's because you were on a debugger point.
Okay.
And so you would close the program, but it was still kind of running.
Okay.
I understand. So, oh my lord.
Let's run this way.
What?
There should be a ground guy over here that I can shoot somewhere. Let's see. Does it work? Does it work?
Yeah, you're going up every frame, which is something that I keep timer. Timer's null. Position's being stopped.
Oh, it works. Would you look at that?
Yippee.
Well, it feels really nice on the ground, guys, because it just kind of like slows them down. Where's the other one? There's another one here. I really like that. I think they just need a little bit better. They need a little bit something more when they die. Oh, wait, do the crown guys not have? Hold up.
What?
That makes it so easy to add knockback, though. I really like that.
Is there a different function other than stop that I can use to make a tween not exist anymore? Kill. Tween.kill. Is that it?
Kind of fire.
Invalidates the tween.
Kind of fire.
Tween.kill.
Did I accidentally get rid of this somehow?
If I use tween.kill, does this fix my issue? Oh my god, it does. That actually means that issue probably exists on your side as well.
What
Although
issue?
much to a less extent, because I didn't realize it was an issue until I started calling it every frame.
Did I get rid of like the
Interesting.
blood smoke stuff that spawns when you kill enemies? Am I dumb?
Uh-huh.
Thought I added that to like the flying guys. Am I just like blind? Oh, it's there. I think it's just rotated wrong, maybe. Oh, there's also floating plants here.
Oh,
Huh? There's no way I just didn't notice that. Oh, and this is wrong too. What? There's like multiple. Maybe. No? I honestly have no clue how that could have happened.
I'm gonna find out if that's a thing that's been just sitting there and we haven't noticed it.
Because this is on a separate layer than this. It's a separate layer and it's a separate texture.
Oh, did you change the tile set around? I remember there was a time that you did that, right?
The tile set?
Like you edited the tile sets so they were all in the same one or something?
No.
No?
No. So what I had to do, maybe what you're thinking of, is these plants are on a separate one because they have to be going from bottom to top so the shader works.
Mm-hmm.
That's weird. What?
Yeah, no, they're not here.
They are. They're just off by one
well, no, they're
tile.
Yeah.
So this should be up by one, and this should be... Same with this one down here. Is it... Wait, go down to the bottom.
It's not.
Is there one there?
It's off by... Yeah, it's off by one there.
What?
This is off by, like, up and to the left a little bit.
I'm so confused. Is
I'm
there anything
look in
else?
my build of Godot real quick.
Let me look in the...
I wonder if it's a 4.5 issue. That'd be kind of funny.
Let me look in the... Where is that room? What room is it?
Room 3.
Room 3,
It's
okay.
fucked up for me as well.
Is
Inside
it?
of the editor.
Okay.
Yeah. I wonder... Let me take a look at this. I'm gonna see if this is
So
a
weird.
thing in room3.tscn. Show history.
That's so random.
Yeah, it is. But it's kind of funny.
It is very funny. There's just 3 random tiles that got moved. So let me look.
Is it called static decor or is it waving decor?
No, the weird thing is it's on 2 different layers. So the web is on static decor, and the waving one is on waving decor.
These look like these haven't been touched for 5 months.
It's
In
so
this file
weird.
specifically. Wait, is that ground? It's background static decor. Yeah, also hasn't done anything for 5 months.
But it was...
My next question is... Floor 1 tile set. What are the chances that this changed in the last...
I guess, yeah, because those
2
are
months ago.
the only ones that are moved down. Well, there's another one here, too. No, but then there's one here that's in the right position. And it's also... Oh, is it? Okay. No, but this one's on... Is this? Oh, this one's static for some reason. Why is there just a static one there? I'm genuinely so confused.
How are we deving together? With Devin, do you mean how are we doing? Like, or do you mean like how are we deving together? Because the answer is GitHub and Git.
Yeah.
But if you meant like how are we doing, like instead of doing, you said deving. I'm deving pretty good.
Who's Devin?
My old composition teacher for music.
Oh. Cool.
Yeah, he is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, we fuck with Devin. Oh yeah, it is Git. Yeah. So we have to whenever we. Oh, that's my Caves of Cud. Oh wait, you weren't there for that. Let me show you this.
Oh no.
So I had.
What did you do?
I had some time in Caves of Cud where I was like, I need to figure out the best option for like re-rolling stats and stuff. And so I went through and I wrote these like tests for it to see what came out of this.
What?
And then I figured.
What do you mean?
And then I was like, so
what is my looking at?
One of the abilities is you like peer into the future and you play the game for like 40 turns, and then it's like, okay, your vision has run out. Do you want to go back to the beginning? And so what I would do is I would peer into the future, and then I would do these tests, and then I would write them down, and then I would go back in time. And I did that for all of the ones, and then I was like, okay, well, here's the play. And I believe it was this one, where I get Dominate Creature, Temporal Fugue, and then Ego Projection. So we're a little fucked up around here. Little evil, little fucked up. Also, can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Can you run your game?
I'm running it. I'm running it.
Can you go
Mhm.
to the debugger? Or I guess, sorry, the monitors tab. Yep, inside of Godot. So debugger, monitors. And turn on the monitors for objects. And then can you go into the game and can you add a bunch of cards to your hand?
Is that good?
Okay, yeah, that should be good. Can you take a look at the monitor? Okay, so it's not climbing right now. Can you hold right click and just like swipe past the cards a bunch of times? Just like left and right. Okay, that should be good. And then can you take a look at the monitor tab again?
Oh,
Okay, yes. So there, yeah, that's being taken care of right now. Don't worry. I was just
Okay.
curious if that was a thing in your side as well.
could that be
I
what was
imagine it
causing
is.
some of the lag before?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Okay.
Unfortunately, no. However, there are places that this needs to be fixed that I didn't realize was an issue. Like basically anywhere we're creating scenes, instead of doing stop, I need to do kill instead.
Ah, okay. Does that
Which is
fix any lag?
It it will stop people from lagging in like if they played the game for like 10 minutes, it may have started to lag if they swipe past the cards a bunch. But I don't know, honestly.
See, I think the main way we'll want to tune like the knockback amount. I'm thinking. Maybe I'm thinking wrong. I was gonna say something, but now that doesn't make sense. Never mind.
What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say we probably want to tune it such that when you hit an enemy like continuously, they kind of just like stay in place and don't get flung way back, depending on like their movement speed.
Mm-hmm.
But now that I think about that, that doesn't really make sense because obviously some things will have more knockback than others. So never mind. Ignore. Wait a second. I want to try something. I want to take the candy corn and I want to decrease the damage and give it a ridiculously high knockback and see what happens.
I would imagine only does one,
What?
since the knockback isn't additive, right? Right?
That is true, yeah.
Knockback is only once.
You're right, that's so lame. I want it to be additive.
So there's a couple things that we could do.
I'm just
where
kidding.
it's
I mean, I
like-
think it's fine without it being additive.
Yeah. Yeah, I just what we could do is we can do some weird formula stuff with it so that if you add knockback to something that already has a knockback based on like the length of the knockback that was already applied, only apply a percentage of the new knockback so that it like decreases over time and stops it from like getting out of hand, but like still have the ability to knock it back a bunch. Okay. JW, you good?
Wait, what?
You alive? All right. Bro, had no idea what you just said. That's okay. Don't worry about it. I'm
okay.
gonna step away for just a moment though. I need to go to the bathroom and get a little snacky snack.
Oh no. Tries to be entertaining.
So I'll be back in like. Yeah, I'll be back in like.
But I already implemented the thing I wanted to implement. It's okay. I'll do it with the
goodbye.
enemies that don't have it. We got this. Where am I setting? It's set in. Attack. Knockback force. Is this what I want? Where is the pistol ability? There we go. So why is this not dealing knockback when the other one does? Is it in... Oop. Meow 36, where are you? You want the card. Does this have knockback in it somewhere that I'm missing? It does not have knockback. I forgot how I did this. So you... Damage scale? No. I think that's where it sets the knockback. Yeah. Go back here. This is the same script, right? Yep, that's the same script. Why is it not working? Animation. You are calling. Shoot, yeah. Just on here. The projectile doesn't make a difference, right? No. I am confused. Let me try it again. Why is that not working? It should work. It should have knockback. I don't know why it doesn't. Oh, it does have knockback. I don't know why it wasn't working earlier. Very strange.
Hello.
Hello. I was trying to figure out why the Meow 36 didn't have knockback, but it appears it does. I was just stupid. I guess it doesn't help that it kills like half the enemies in one burst. I love how like if you hit the enemy towards their feet, they kind of do like a little hop when you hit them.
Hitting them with a little grounded rocket from TF2.
Yeah. Yeah, I like the knockback. It definitely is like the little bit of impact that the weapons needed when you like hit things. Oh, does the sword work too? Let me see.
I don't know if the sword has knockback.
I'm pretty sure I gave it knockback. Maybe I didn't. I don't remember. Nope, I didn't. Oh, did I? Is it?
Nope.
No, I guess it's not.
No, because the new sword I think doesn't have it.
Sword ability.
Specifically the one under the new ability.
Yeah. Eventually I'll make some nicer way to do the attacks. Yeah,
Right
for the
there, yeah.
attacks,
On
what do we
30.
want?
What's up?
I'm just trying to think of a simple way to like pass in the attacks so that way we can go through and like balance all of them and be like, this one has this much knockback, and we could like tweak the damages and things like that. I don't know. Knockback force equal to 1.
Yeah,
We'll make that
I know what you're talking about.
500.
500 knockback? Dude. You're gonna hit him into the wall. What the fuck?
Nah, I won't actually.
There should totally be a weapon that like sends an enemy flying, and if it hits the wall, it takes extra damage.
And how would you do that?
How would you do that? I don't know, man. What do you mean?
How
How
would you make it like deal damage if it hits a wall?
You would attach some sort of listener to it, and then whenever it hits the wall, if you check if it has just collided with something on the right, if it has
What about the left?
velocity so much, well, like, okay, if it like collides with something and the normal in the X direction is like 1, then you can say like, okay, well, if sin f velocity.x greater than 100, deal damage.
Yeah, it's definitely too high. We'll make it like 250, just like everything else. 250 seems like a nice value to just give them like a little bump.
Yeah, I would like to make those like units a little bit more concrete. Like, I think like if 250 feels like a nice value, then I think that value should be 1.
I don't know if I 100% agree, but
Well, because then like if you're like, okay, I want an enemy to take, or I want an attack to do half of the regular knockback, you have to be like, okay, well then that's 125, which is kind of like a magic number.
yeah, I guess you're right.
Whereas you can have like just 0.5. Sorry, what am I even doing over
See,
here?
I feel like maybe the sword should have a little less knockback. See, like,
yeah, so then you can like combo into it. You could honestly have it so that the second hit has more. Like if it's like a swing, like the first one doesn't do as much and the second one does a little bit more, so that
that's an interesting idea, yeah.
But then that would also mean that the sword swing would have to be lower cooldown on the second one, which is something we could do. We could have it so that if you swing a sword and then wait like a second, it goes back to the first swing, but if you swing it quickly, it does like 2 quick swings.
Yeah, I kind of like that.
Okay. Let's see. So, sorry, I still forget. What is that 20? Is 20 the damage of the card?
Where? The 20?
On the
I think that's damage now, yeah, we don't need that on there. 5 is the mana cost.
Which is
the main thing we need to display is charges.
Yeah. Which we still need to figure out.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think of games that have like charges and stuff.
I mean, we could maybe do like bottom left corner and get rid of the little stars.
Good.
Or no. Remember we were gonna have the bottom. I forgot. We were gonna have the bottom right with the next to the whatever symbol it is.
There, right?
Oh yeah, maybe it was. Maybe we don't need to display the damage on the card.
And I know we also experimented with having the charges above the card.
Yeah, I didn't really like that. I'd honestly rather keep everything either on the card or on like a separate UI, like to the side of it or something. I don't want it to be part of like floating on the card because that just feels weird.
It does. I agree.
Yeah, like I kind of like the idea of having like a little almost like ammo counter on the side, like you would with like a gun in an FPS.
Yeah.
Because like, I mean, kind of like an FPS, like you don't look at how much ammo you have in the middle of a fight because it's like in the corner, like nobody's like, I mean, you might glance at it.
Yeah, you definitely glance at it.
But it's not something that we need to have like super prominently, like on top of the card with like a big number or something like that.
Yeah, I think that's probably fine. And then,
and at some point soon, I still wanna force you to make a better shader.
yeah, I can do that. Don't worry,
and we already know exactly what I want. Yarr.
Do we?
Yarr. Yes.
Oh, it's like the liquid type shader across like the side, right?
Pull up the graph. No, where is it?
Oh my god. Yeah, pull up the graph. Go on, man. Find the graph first.
There it is. Wait, I'm missing a layer.
Oh, that.
Where is it? Nope. Oop.
Oh wow.
Can I undo that? Nope, I can't undo that. Okay, now I need to find the layers again.
Artist attempts to do anything.
Shut up. There we go. Like this.
Oh, that's what we want?
Yeah.
Do you want the hard border as well?
What?
You want the hard border as well?
Yeah.
And that would be animated, kind of up and down.
Yeah, it would go like
side to side, not up and down, but yeah.
And then we have like little droplets that go up and down. No, I'm kidding. You don't have to do that.
Let me think about it for a moment. I'm gonna matrix multiply this shit in my head real quick just for.
And it has to be pixel perfect.
Yeah, I know. I've been here before. We've played this game before. Don't worry.
I've played these games before.
I've played these games before. Yeah, no, I know, dude. Don't worry. Well, maybe worry a little bit. maybe you should worry a little bit, actually, now that I'm thinking about this a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Although, can I do multiple passes on a shader? I can. Oh, well, not I can't do it explicitly like that. Like under card. What's our card shader called? Is it called 3D card? GD shader.
Bleh.
Card GD
I don't know.
shader.
I don't know, dog.
This
Bleh.
thing, yes. So because of the way, so there's the vertex transform and the fragment transform, which is great. Why did you not include the? Thank you, Godot. Very cool. We can do a shader include, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Fuck, how does that work? Do we have any of these have includes on the shaders? I thought one of these did. Yeah, you. So we can do a shader include. And then we can have this.
Sorry.
So this actually, we can have specifically the function in
Piku
here.
Niku got me meowing. What am I
Do a
working on?
GD include or shader include, and then yeah, okay, I've got
Boo.
ideas. What the fuck is this?
Boo.
Wiggle.gd shader. This is-
Oh.
Did
I don't
make
remember
this?
what. No, you didn't make that.
I didn't think so.
Why are you like slowly dragging it down?
I don't know, because I was like, I'm almost like I'm gonna stop looking at it whenever I get it to the bottom of it. I'm trying to think about what it does.
No, that's I think something I was experimenting. I think I just downloaded a bunch of shaders off of Godot shaders and was
Right.
like, what does this do? And because I tried making like my own kind of card effect thing. I mean, the shader that's currently in there is from GD shaders that I just copied.
Yeah.
Oh yes, I'm adding
Oh, they
the
don't tweet that.
thing to the enemies. So who doesn't have it? Flying Goober doesn't.
Okay, that looks like basically parody to the actual thing. It's just that the card doesn't actually get
Oh,
selected,
they look
which is
smoother.
nice, not
I
nice,
kind of
but
like it.
they're not
some-
different.
No, like the animations. You sure they're exactly the same? Like when you hover over them, it looks. Maybe it's the spread. Did you change like the
It's
spread?
Probably the spread. I did change the spread.
Okay.
Yeah. I actually have parameters
I
that
think-
we change now.
Yeah.
These are
One thing to make sure. Does it look good if you only have like 2? Ooh, that looks kind of bad now.
yeah, it does. Because it
Okay.
hasn't been tweaked correctly.
But yeah, there's like
what would you
issues
change about this?
about that. The ones on the left should be curved more.
I don't believe this does that. I have to add a new one, and then it will be more curved, or I can make it like hella curved.
A little less, like 35 maybe. Try 30.
Like.
That's better, yeah. I mean, I don't think
And
you'll
then we
end
can
up
change-
having that many cards.
Yeah.
It should be
we
a
also
little
changed
bit
the, like,
flatter too.
Yeah. So like.
Like maybe make the sides go up just a tiny little bit.
Sides go up. Okay.
Sides go up a little bit, and then the top go down a little bit.
That would be this.
There we go. Yeah, like I don't want the like bottom info to be peeking up because that's kind of like not important to gameplay.
Yeah. There's like some. It feels a little weird because like the edge of this is peeking out, but then it stops peeking out around here. It's a little bit of a. There's some weird stuff.
Is it? I'm trying to think what that would be.
Well, no, it's just because it's because. Of the way
Yeah,
it is,
I know it's
so,
because
yeah.
it's like the way it's angled. I'm just trying to think what could fix that. I think it's it would be the rotation angle. I think it's
Yeah,
that the rotation.
just
Yeah, the
press it.
rotation doesn't match the spread. Yeah. Okay, I'll let you figure it out.
Yeah, maybe. So, and then I also need to make it move to the front because I'm not making the Z index go up.
So wait, what happens if I put a physics process in here that always runs the the apply knockback. Will that run if it's just... That'll run if it's just by itself.
What?
Like if it's not...
Sorry, can you
Sorry.
state?
In the movement driver class,
Okay, yes.
in the base class, if I put a physics process running the apply knockback.
Okay.
I didn't do a... Oh, neither of us did a stream announcement. I forgot to...
No.
I mean, did my announcement. I forgot to do the live announcement. Rip.
Yeah, what's your... So in the movement driver, you put a physics process.
Yes, applying the knockback on inherited classes, or whatever you would call it. That's what it's called, right?
Yep, inherited classes.
Yes, those would not run the physics process of the movement driver class. Okay, that's what I want. Because I wanted that if you just put a base movement driver on something, it will have like knockback.
Okay.
Although I guess, thinking, it still wouldn't have gravity.
Correct. We could add gravity.
Or
if the default had gravity.
yeah,
You could make it so that the default, if you just gave it whatever, that it.
Yeah, I think
gravity.
I'll just have a default that has gravity. Yeah, I like that. Because if you inherit from it, then it will remove the gravity. So then you can make a flying one. Yeah.
Yes.
So by default, it'll just be an object. So if you put it on an object, it will allow it to have knockback. Essentially.
Yes.
That's basically what I'm trying to do. That's like the goal of what I'm thinking.
What is hold on, fire Goober hive? What does this guy do exactly?
He sits there and he spits out eggs. That's literally all he does.
He has ground movement component on him already.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, I guess a ground movement component would actually just work for that.
Which doesn't have, this isn't like a driver.
Yeah.
So you could just make it like a generic, like grounded
Oh, wait.
driver.
Oh, because he has gravity.
Yeah. Because I was thinking about it, I was like, whenever you spawned him in the air, I remembered that he would fall down.
Yeah.
He does that.
You're right. Oh.
It's his hitbox is square.
Yeah, it's
He's
just funny.
Marioing it right now. What the fuck? Oh my god, dude, that sound it fucked me up. I forgot about why are they not
What?
moving?
Oh,
Why are they not moving? Is the navigation broken? Ah, fuck. Navigation changed.
Oh?
Right?
Oh, did it change?
They changed
No.
navigation in 4.5, right?
No?
No?
That looks right.
I thought we had a dedicated navigation 2D server now, right?
I don't know.
Does that affect anything? I guess we'll find out. Where is
I'm tired.
flying fire projectile?
I will also need to eat something at some point because I haven't eaten since my burrito at 2 o'clock from work.
Whoa.
I get free burritos. And then like free other stuff, but mostly burritos, you know?
Yeah, no, they're not. I'm not seeing a navigation agent do anything. I guess does this guy query navigation agent? He should, but he's not. Which is why he's not going to dash towards the player. Well, I guess he will. No, he is. Oh no, maybe I have to restart the game. Sorry, so why are those guys fucked up again? I don't... Can you spawn them in on yours and see if they're fucked up?
The flying guys?
Oh no, okay, navigation's fine. Yeah, the goobers.
Is it just the goobers?
Yeah, goober spawns. Yeah, they're not moving for me. I might have fucked something up.
It's possible.
Look at my changes. Fire goober spawn.
They work for me. You tested just spawning them in?
Yeah. Sorry, something's up.
They do indeed work.
What's happening over here in my code? Or not my code, my thing. Apparently something just got deleted. This thing got removed. This thing got removed. What are these? Where did these go? Death objects? Health reactive spawner? Player interactive. don't understand why. Whatever, dude. Do whatever you need. As long as it works, I don't really... Why did that teleport up there?
Yeah. So what didn't work?
Oh, I know. What? Huh? Yeah, they're just not moving.
For you? That's weird.
For me.
Did you change anything?
I mean, it's definitely something I did. I'm just trying to think
Okay.
of like what.
I'll
it
let you
would
figure
have
it out.
been. Is it because I removed this? Is this what they're using? Is it flying movement controller component? Flying fire movement? Yeah, it is. No, this is a different guy. Goober spawn. What are you using? Flying movement component? Yeah, I removed the movement slide because I'm a bit of a dumbass. There it is. Look at that. Now he's moving. Cool. Yeah, I was just a dumbass.
Yeah, and they don't use the movement drivers, right?
I changed this to movement driver. It's not usually though.
Okay, but that
You can
just
choose this.
works.
I just did this to
Oh
show
yeah,
you
right. You said
something,
that I could just swap that out. Yeah, and that would pretty much work.
Yeah, you should. Should be plus or minus a couple of things, but yeah.
Yeah. Oh yes, and before I forget, I will go ahead and go to movement driver. And we will register.
Mouse scrolling.
So we want util. It's add self.
Yeah.
Self and owner. Yeah.
Probably, yeah.
And
Can you check what? Can you check the definition of target? Just control click on target. Okay, so that's not actually assigned by default, which is fine, but a little weird. Why is... What?
where is?
Oh, is that... Sorry, I think that's being
target
assigned up in... Yeah, target is self, and... movement... What the fuck? Hold on. Target is this. Yes. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's doing some weird shit.
Oh, is the
Yeah.
body setting is the that's setting the
like it,
target.
yeah.
That's
I don't know why I
nasty.
wrote it
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, can you just, do me a favor?
Uh-huh.
Can you scroll down a little bit and... Oh, did you get rid of the other things already? Yeah, you did. Oh, that's
Yeah.
fine. Can you
So
just
this
do,
is
like,
doing
target
this.
equals owner?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, better. Is there any place that we're getting the movement driver? What's the best way to check for that?
Not directly. No, I don't believe in the code.
Okay.
There's exported versions, but I don't believe there's anything grabbing.
Yeah, there's no place that you're grabbing the movement driver from the...
Nope.
Okay. So that means... I mean, I guess I can just test it by going in here and...
Or, well, hold on.
killing this. Yeah?
Yeah, you can kill that. There may be issues, but it should be the world's quickest fixes. Yeah, there's one place here. Yeah, inside of your slime code. You're just you're grabbing enemy movement driver, but you shouldn't.
Inside the slime code, okay.
Yeah, it's doing enemy movement driver. You can just do the util to jump, unless you change jump. Maybe you change jump, and I don't have.
Oh, is it in
the same
jump?
code as you?
You
It
sure?
was in
files
Magma
is in-
Slime follow.gd.
Magma. Oh, that's the state machine.
Yeah.
Jump.
Yeah.
Enemy. Okay. So this we can do. Till dot get component. Owner.
Enemy.
Oh, enemy. Yeah. This is
Just movement driver.
movement driver. Yeah. Or I guess. We'll do slime movement driver since
Oh
that
yeah, because that one
has the jump. Yeah, specifically has the jump. Okay. I'm also gonna go
Oh,
get a snack because I'm starving. I'll be back
right,
in just a little bit. Here we go. Oop. Did that work? Nope.
What's up?
Sorry, my mute button didn't work for a second. It's working now.
Oh, hell. So let's see. So I will make this also be able to do. So on card hovered is whenever we actually change things. I'm going to do on card peaked. I get that sounds terrible. I don't like that. But on card selected. On card peaked. We'll do peaked. Card instance. There's a couple of things. Let me think about this for a moment. So I want to be able to control whether or not this needs to work for both mouse and keyboard. The problem is these are two split up things. So I think what I'll do is whenever we pick the card, I will say peek. Is there? Oh no, sorry. It's for visual in visuals. Dimensional dot instance equals card visual dot peek as selected. Target position would just be start position plus visual dot start position plus vector 2 dot up times 50. And then what is this time? We'll say half a second. Am I John Dante? I am, absolutely. Is this the Fortnite call? That might just work. I mean, obviously I don't have this connected anywhere, but I will do card peaked on card peaked. I thought they said they fixed this. Kiddo? I thought you said in 4.5 they made it so that signals were not automatically like callable. Or what the hell? I thought they said they fixed this. No, my dreams are gone. Did they roll that back? Whatever, I'll check later. Then I need to go in here and add a new signal called card peak. And I need you to be called when we scroll up and down, which is something that I'll handle in the base class. So I want to actually combine this into, or I'm going to move this into a base class because there's a lot of things that will be used between the two. So I'll do create new script, which will be base card selector. Base card selector. And then we'll do class name, base selector. We'll say it's a control. I don't know if it's going to stay that way, but and then inside of mouse card selector, base card selector. So what are the things that are going to be duplicated? We definitely have both of these signals duplicated in here. We definitely have the deck in here, and the horizontal selection will probably be in there as well. Oh, will it? I think it will. Also, picking card will as well. Let me think about that for a moment, actually. We'll say just picking card for now. I'll move horizontal selection in there if I need to, but I think for now I'll just leave it like this. And then inside of here, I believe both of these should be fine to move in there, except for vertical selection, which kind of sucks. Well, actually, I don't know how much of that's going to be moved in there. Deck hand return, vertical selection, sure, great. So you have this. Sorry, what did I want to fine with these. Card peaked. I wanted to add the scrolling support, so I guess we do that now. So that would actually be under base card selector. So I would say func handle scrolling, which would be if is input is action just pressed, rotate, scroll, deck, up. It's called hand up, right? Hand down and hand up. Yeah, there we go. Hand down being what? I would go this way, so minus whatever. First I'm just gonna print things out really quickly. And I also need to put a warning, ignore unused signal. There we go. And then I would call this inside of my mouse card selector. We would do this handle scrolling, which wouldn't actually do much on its own. However, we will say if this was just pressed, we will. Shit.
Meow.
Oh god.
Hi, Wilson.
Quick selection. I forgot it's less than 0,
Okay.
right? No. Yes, and then we need to have hand defined, which is not currently defined. But it needs to know about that. Will that ever be a new array, or can I just... Yeah, whatever. I'll do, I will just set this out wherever it needs to be. Or I'll say, our hand is an array of card instance. And then the getter will say if not hand. Deck and
Okay. Meow, 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 meow.
so if this ever gets removed, we should basically have the version. Hopefully, maybe. I don't know if I'll ever assign that to a new array. Hopefully, the answer is we won't, but who fucking knows? I guess actually, I'll just. Doesn't make sense. I'll just do turn deck by hand.
Nope, I didn't want to open the sprite of that guy.
Huge deal. So hand sub index, turn hovered card. So this should always be pointing to what's in the hand. I think that's fine. Except that these should be in the base class. I love it, inheritance. I love inheritance.
So we make this
It's like kind of true, actually. Inheritance is pretty cool when used in a not terrible way. Oh, dude, I can do the thing.
Whoa.
I made it abstract, which means I can now have function. How do I make an abstract
Whoa.
function in Godot, actually? Abstract func. Oh,
yeah.
Okay. Abstract.
Biddy, what should I call this the class? This is for the Fire Goober. I guess we just call it Fire Goober movement driver. I might have figured it out.
Sure.
She'll call it Fire Goober spawn movement driver to be specific.
Oh god.
What?
Nothing. I'm looking at your Java class names right now, and I'm just like, damn,
What?
this motherfucker has a fucking entity logic builder factory DTO object builder.
I love Java class names and Java function
That's
names.
fine.
We got play random sound, random pitch spatial.
Oh
one's
yeah,
gotta be my
I actually wanted
favorite.
to tell you about that.
Huh?
So I
What?
don't know if you remember a while back, we talked about audio in Godot and how we would like to have the ability
did?
to change someone had mentioned it on stream, I think. There's the
Mhm.
polyphony thing inside of
Polyphia?
the audio.
Wait, what? Where?
No, not that fucking shitty ass band. Shut up.
Oh, hey, don't be mean.
Dude, they play soulless music really fast instead of.
No, that's not true.
It is.
That's not true.
Dude, he's like, no. So there is.
Did you
there's
see
this
that?
polyphony thing.
Oh, sorry. I'll let you.
So there's this polyphony. Polyphony. There's this polyphony thing. And we can change the polyphony, which is great. But if we did random number like amounts, so like if we change the pitch, it would change the pitch of all the playing ones. So that's a problem. But what we can actually do is when so for an audio stream player, let's say we just have an audio stream player, we can set the stream and then we can do get stream playback, which will return this audio stream playback object, which we can have as an audio stream playback polyphonic. And this will actually allow us to play the sound again, but with a random pitch. So there are ways that Godot has built in that you can play the same sound on the same audio manner or on the same audio playback and have them be individual pitch scales, which is very, very useful.
Wait,
to
what's
us,
the
'cause that
audio
means we don't-
stream playback?
What's an audio stream playback?
Yeah, I'm confused.
So the player, there's an audio stream player.
Yeah.
An audio stream playback you can get from a player by doing get stream playback. It's kind of just like a,
Okay.
it's you give it a stream and then you can say give me the playback, which is like what the audio manager, the audio stream player sees. Like if you do play on an audio stream player, the audio stream playback is the one that actually handles the actual processing of that. But we can get like a reference to that, and we can actually tell it to do certain things. Like if it's polyphonic, we can tell it to play the same sound again, but with a different pitch scale, which reduces some of the like if you play the same sound like 10 times on the same frame, it gets like really loud.
Yeah.
Polyphony kind of, I believe these will kind of limit that a little bit, so it doesn't override everything.
Mm-hmm.
It's just really cool stuff. You don't have to worry about it too much, but I'm gonna be
Okay.
addressing in the
Yeah, because I like didn't follow half of that.
That's okay. Yeah, I'll be changing a couple things about the audio manager. Because like let's say you only have 10 channels in the audio manager and you play like 20
Yeah.
sounds on one frame, but they were all the same sound, then half of them would be removed. But with
Mhm.
this, it means that we would only end up using one of our channels for that.
Yeah.
Or if you were to play the same sound and there was a sound that was playing from like a frame or like a second ago, it would leech off of that and add itself to the same one, which is really cool.
Yeah, so what I was going to say is, in case you don't dislike Polyphia enough, they also made the theme song for 2XKO.
I saw your message about that, and that
It's not
doesn't
bad.
mean
It's not
anything to
bad.
me
It's kind of
because
it
I
kind of
gave it a
goes hard.
listen. I
It's pretty good.
disagree.
It's pretty good.
Um,
Bro just hates fun
disagree.
music. This guy hates
this is
fun.
True. This is true. He's correct.
If I rename that, will that update you
Hmm.
perfect?
What am I doing? I'm so Sorry, I'm like sitting here looking at this and I'm like,
That's
what
okay.
the fuck? Oh, var. What would this be called? It would be map between 0 to 1, and it would be which side, like, of the part in the deck that you're in. It's like, where are you? What is it called? It wouldn't be ratio, I don't think. Maybe it would be like position ratio or index ratio or something. I'll just call it like selected ratio, which would be like 0.5 by default. And then we will do
What?
this. What's up?
What is this?
Cannot infer the type.
I don't even know where this is.
Movement component doesn't have body. It's target, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, sorry, because I changed the name.
Yeah. So it was something in there. I couldn't tell what it was.
Yeah.
It was assuming there was a body variable.
I don't know why it's been doing that more recently. Before it, I don't remember it doing that. Maybe it's just I never ran into a situation where it would do that.
It's because you've started using colon equals more, I think.
No, not that error. Sorry, where it pops up and says that you can't edit the file because it's running.
Yeah, that's been a thing for years. It's been like a
okay.
4.0 thing. It's just yeah. It's
I
probably
might be
because you close
stupid.
the game thinking that means it's over, but it's you actually have to,
Yeah, I do that a lot.
like, stop it from running. So,
Okay. Your stupid console keeps getting in the way of my clicks. Oop. Oopers. Key velocity. Oh, I'm not calling super. I need to call super.
Wait, what? Oh yeah.
Yeah, so that way it gets the target and all that stuff and connects the signal.
So there's a couple of things that I can show you if you want that are like really cool.
Does this work now? Ooh. Ooh. Nope, never mind.
Body.
Yeah. Let me
Just Control
just
F for dot body.
Control F. 2 matches. 2 matches. 2 matches.
True.
Good, you got the reference. I would have.
2 genders.
I would have killed you.
2 Yeah, I was trying to remember what the fuck it was, dude. The fucking why was he saying it like a hot dog salesman, dude?
This target.
I gotta watch that video now.
I don't think anybody knows what we're talking about. That's okay. Did I get both of them? Where's the other one? Never good enough. Okay, we got both.
I found it.
You got it. Oh, I don't have your audio on. Here, can you pause your music so I can turn your stream audio on?
Yeah.
There we go.
2 genders! 2 genders! There's only 2 genders!
Why does he say it like that, dude? I do not agree with the thing
So
he says, by the way,
funny.
for everyone here. I don't agree with him. I think it's very funny to make fun of him saying it like he's selling fucking hot dogs, dude.
It's so funny.
Hot dogs! Get your hot dogs! 2 genders! So fucking funny. What am I doing here? 1 over the hand size, I think.
Maybe we are
Seven
funny
one.
streamers. We might have made it. We might be funny.
We're not funny streamers, dog. We literally just copied a Northern Lion like thing that he was
Yeah,
told by
you're not
Ghibli.
supposed to say that. You're not supposed to say that.
Is it like the? It's
oh,
like
he's moving.
8.
Where's he going?
He's moving. Where is he going?
Well, here, let's watch this.
Why is he out there?
Oh.
Why did he not?
I don't know. No. Yeah, they just go flying up to the corner and then crash out. Oh, there they go. Are they gonna do it again? Yep, they're gonna go all the way up.
Do they always go back?
Uh,
Oh, that's a lot. Oh, that's not a lot of
No.
errors. It looked like 124, but it wasn't.
it's not 124. did like what could be doing it? Did I change something? Let me double check. It's body. That's target. Let me just undo all of this. Yeah, that's doesn't make a difference. Maybe it's in the movement driver. Wait a second.
It'd be kind of funny if it was doing that regardless. Like, what if it was? What if? Oh my lord. Oh, you must implement this function. Guess what, fucker? No, I don't. I'm gonna check it on mine and see if it's something that's just happening. It could be an issue of.
I don't think so. I mean, my code's usually perfect, so like.
What?
So like he's fine when he's moving around, but the second you walk out of range, they just go meow, go flying off. Meow. Oh, that probably means it's something with the follow state. I would make a guess. Yeah. Is it because I still have body in here somewhere? No. Is it because I changed something else? Can I undo in here? It's the only thing I changed. Yes? Yeah, that's the only thing I changed. It's movement component. Well, what am I calling movement component? I'm changing the desired velocity. The nav agent dot velocity. Okay, that shouldn't do anything.
No, they're working on mine.
Applying path movement. I'm guessing it's something with this. Wait, why is there
in target? Oh, because target is a variable.
Okay. Wait, where is target? Oh, it's because this is so we can.
Oh, that's funny.
We can
well,
call
no,
it.
you can't just do that.
Yeah, I can.
Let's. So first of all, you're gonna change that to whatever you're about to call that. You're gonna call that target to position. So let's back up a little bit. What file are you at?
There we go. That was better.
So before this was doing if body and target. So
yeah. So body was the owner, and then target was the player.
So instead of calling it target 2,
or no, target is the path that it wants to go to. Like, I think. Yeah.
Yeah. You could just call that node, honestly, probably.
Mm-hmm. There we go.
Hold on. I think you've got something wrong. You definitely have something wrong, yes. So this is the parameter dog level position on 35. You're 35 at least. 36 is will be target dog level position instead of node.
Oh yeah, right. Because they were yeah, you're right. Bleh.
Boing.
Wah. Beep 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 beep. Spawn enemy. Red goober spawn. Now if I run away, he will follow me. And there we go. Look, I can knock him back.
Whoa, dude. Let's go.
He dies very fast. Spawn another one. Another one.
So true.
Yeah, that feels nice. I really like the knockback. Feels so nice.
That's good. Like knockback stuff is honestly really cool whenever you like kind of just the isolating the knockback and then giving it back the velocity is kind of nice. The one thing that can be a little bit weird. Do you have an enemy that just receives knockback and doesn't move?
Not currently.
Okay. The thing
Why?
that could be weird is if you hit them into a wall, because it's not actually sliding their knockback, they can end up doing some weird stuff.
Okay.
Which doesn't really matter all that much, but it is just something to bring up. And I'll probably end up going and making the world's smallest tweak to that.
Oh, I love having the mana pickups. It actually feels so nice gameplay-wise. It's like, oh, I'm out of mana. Let me just kill this guy real
Does it
quick.
have a sound?
Yeah, it makes a little popping. It's your pop sound.
Nice.
Which isn't great, but it's much better with a sound. Oh, that feels so nice. It's definitely, I've said this like 12 times, but it's definitely what the impact's needed for like hitting things. Like there was something missing.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I'm sure we could always add more, but I love the little hop they do. It's so goofy. Having too much fun.
Unfortunate.
Yeah.
Word would just be the remapping part of this, right? All of this. Yes. That would go there. And then instead of horizontal selections, which would be actually. Yeah, and then we can do return. Oh shit.
Yes, I'm going to look at the mini-map, but I'm not going to get jump scared by the boss. I'm not going in there.
Dude, he's not supposed to be that terrifying, though, I swear to you.
Like a trigger warning or something.
I think it's just because they're...
No, I genuinely didn't look at it. I said I was gonna look at it and then I didn't.
Dude. I think it's just because there's no cutscene and he just like spawns in and immediately starts moving to kill you.
I didn't look at it. I thought that the skull looked different. It's like so similar.
It is, yeah. It's just because it was the temporary.
Right after I said that too. I thought he was like on the right side. I thought I had memorized where everything was, but I think that was the old seed.
Yeah, because
the
the
seed's
particles are
broken.
removed from the...
Oh yeah, guys, watch this crazy movement tech. Like I can't make it up here, and then we go like.
Wow.
I love this game. Very balanced.
I love this game as if it's not... Bro said it as if he was playing Rivals.
Wait, did you add this? Is this new? The little interact thing where you can like not do anything?
Yes.
Why is he bouncing so fast?
Yeah, he's supposed to be bouncing along with the music, but it's
Yeah,
off
but
by
not
a
the
little bit
music.
after a while. It's very close for the first like few seconds.
Ah,
and it,
okay.
Desyncs.
What speed do you have it at?
I don't fucking know. I sat there and I BPM tapped it, and then I was like, this feels about right, and then I set the animation.
I'm gonna look.
that.
I'm gonna look for it. Where is it? This is in
It's in the
shop
shop
or
room.
something. Yeah.
Yeah, shop room testing or something.
Shoproomtest.tscn. Let's see. Shopkeeper cat. I love how he's just called Shopkeeper cat. Okay. So this is 0.5.
I have this. There's something. I don't remember exactly what I did to make it work, but I don't fucking remember.
Okay, yeah, I don't know. Never mind. I don't know, I was just gonna assume that the BPM was 120. Because that's
That
like,
would be 0.5, yeah.
yeah. Because like 90% of the songs that I write, the BPM is just 120.
Is that because it's the default in your DAW?
Yeah.
FL Studios is 130.
What? Why is it 130?
So if you ever hear a song and you're like, man, 130 BPM's a little weird, well, probably because they didn't change the default.
No,
for that
usually I like write the song and then I go in after and I like adjust the BPM up or down a little bit just to see how it sounds and pick whichever one sounds right. I like never do it when I'm actually writing. Sometimes I do, but it's rare. I know I'm crazy like that.
Shit, he's gonna-
Call me rare the way I'm making Banjo-Kazooie.
Why the fuck do you know that Rare made Banjo-Kazooie? What the fuck?
That's like common knowledge.
Yeah, it is, but like, you're not commonly knowledgeable.
Hey, that's mean.
Okay,
Also-
new question. Okay, then how about this?
Okay,
How about
go
this?
ahead. Yeah. They also
Who made?
Sea of Thieves.
Ew.
Yeah.
Rare used to be good.
Yeah, where
Sorry.
it used to be good. Sea of Thieves isn't bad. What were you gonna say?
Then we'll start with some other like who made Donkey Kong Country?
Dog, I don't know anything Nintendo.
Okay. Who made Conker's Bad Fur Day?
Conker's Bad Fur Day. I have no
Do
clue.
you know what Conker's Bad Fur Day is?
I have heard of it and I've like seen it vaguely.
Mhm. Who made Conker's Bad Fur Day?
I don't know.
You don't
I don't
know.
know. Hello, average Godot enjoyer. I don't know.
The answer
think-
for both was Rare, by the way.
Oh, it was it rare? Oh, yeah. That makes sense. Because this is going to be very, very insane. So, I know this because Rare is owned by Microsoft now, right?
I don't know.
I
haven't heard
believe
about
so.
Rare since they're 64 days.
Sorry, this is just a really weird connection. Is Rare is owned by Microsoft, and they made with the, I think it was with the Xbox One, they made a game that was like their own like kind of Roblox like thing where you could like make games in it. And for some reason, it was like a bunch of normal original characters, and then they had characters from Conker's Bad Fur Day in it that you could use, and that was like the one thing that they had. And I don't know why. It was very random.
Yeah.
It was really bad, but like that's actually one of the introductions that I had to like game dev was. I forget what it's called. It was. Let me look it up. I'm going to find it.
He's going to find it.
I'm going to find it. See, I can remember random stupid things like this from like 10 years ago, but I can't remember like what I ate for breakfast. If I get the name right first try, I'm gonna crash out. No, that's not what it was. Oh, there we go. I was close. It's called Project Spark. I was thinking Microsoft Spark for some reason. Project Spark. It was terrible.
Smart.
Did it? Oh my
I've never
god.
heard of this actually. Developed
It
by
was
Skybox
ancient.
Labs. Oh, so
It's
it
not
wasn't
like
actually developed by
ancient. It was published by Microsoft. No. It didn't have really anything to do with Rare. Let me look. Okay, it was Conker's Big Reunion had like a crossover with it or something. So like same character. That's so weird.
Yeah, that is a little weird.
Yeah, it's like really weird. And I don't know why I remember that. Okay, so wait. Oh, so I think Conker's Big Reunion was part of that as Project. It's like a game within Project Spark.
Okay. I kind of see. Okay.
That kind of makes more sense. It's so weird. I don't. Oh.
Oh yeah, I want to.
When did Project Spark come out? Let me look.
Mod. Mod. 1.0, I think. This.
It's
Yeah,
2013.
That works really well, actually.
Okay, launched on Xbox in 2014, shut down in 2016. Nice.
Fire.
But I remember playing like a really crappy like Battlefront clone in it, and it was pretty fun. We had like a bunch of different characters made out of capsules, because they had like no modeling tools whatsoever. So it was either capsules or they're really crappy like original designs that look terrible.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it was pretty awful, so I'm not surprised it shut down.
Damn. I said these guys fucking suck.
It's I don't know why I remember things like this. I'm so cooked. And now I don't remember what I was working on in Godot.
But of course. Hey buddy, what's up with you? Map not found itself?
What's up with me? I'm going insane, that's what... Oh, you weren't talking to me. Okay.
Nope. Why is this
Okay, so we got knockback on this guy, now we just need knockback on the rest of them.
Oh, I guess I need to only loop it around if there was an input. R direction 0.
So I guess I can probably just do the same thing with the hive to make it have knockback. Is give it the convert the current movement driver that it, or the movement component that it has to a extend movement driver. This is this used anywhere else? Do you know? The ground movement.
Used anywhere else?
The ground movement component.
Ground movement component or ground movement driver?
Ground movement component. I'm pretty sure I made this to thinking that I would use it again somewhere else, and I don't know if it ever did.
It is used on Firegripper Egg.
Okay.
And that might be it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I guess that's fine. What if I I'll just call this JW ground movement driver to know that it's the bad one. So don't use that one. It's fine for these.
Okay, alright.
But don't use that one. Okay, apply. Knockback. What do you mean it's kind of funny?
It's kind of funny.
It's kind of funny. Okay, so we don't need body. We can rename everything as body.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna kill you for something real quick. Or I'm gonna make you very upset for a moment.
Okay.
I'll let you do what you're doing first.
Target.
Let me know when you have a moment to be upset.
Yeah.
You can just kill that. Okay. Can you control click on apply knockback? This doesn't need delta anymore.
Oh, yeah, you're right, because it's not multiplying, right?
Yeah, it's not using delta at all. I'm actually really surprised Godot's not warning us about that. Oh, because you turned off unused variable warnings in the project.
Oh, did I?
You, unused parameters, yes.
But now this means that every place that I've written this, I have to get rid of the delta. Nah, I'm not doing
it. Well, no, it's fine. No, I can show you the easiest solution. Control-Shift-F. Apply underscore knockback, open parenthesis. Delta. And then hit replace.
Oh, you can do what? I've seen that button, but I've never used it.
Yes, and then replace it with just apply knockback and open parenthesis. Oh, sorry. Actually, sorry. Can you cancel that? Okay. Alt or Control A, Control C.
What? Control
Control A,
A.
Control C.
Control C. Oh. What?
Okay, Control Shift F.
What?
Oh no, okay, it's still there. You're fine. Never mind. Just add a closing parenthesis to the end of that first.
Oh.
No.
Wait, why do I...
No, Control Shift F.
Closing
add a
parenthesis?
to that. Yeah,
Replace?
and then replace. Yeah, because it was gonna replace the function definition, and then you can.
Oh.
And then just closing parenthesis, and then
Oh.
replace the ones.
Well, we could have just done... Wait, what? I don't... Huh?
What do you mean? What?
The other one would have worked too.
No, it wouldn't have, because it was also it was affecting the definition of the function because you hadn't saved the file yet.
I could have just changed
Don't worry
it
about
there.
it.
There
Don't
would
worry
have
about
been
it.
less
Don't worry about it.
buttons.
Just hit the replace. It's fine.
No,
Don't worry about it.
undo. Oh.
Yep. What?
Oh, because I
Oh,
haven't
that's
saved this
fine.
one.
Yeah.
Okay.
It would have written over the file, but yeah. Anyways, either way.
Yeah, so there you can do that there. Now this should work. And this should also make it automatically work on the egg too. Okay, good.
You're not calling ready. You're not calling super in the ready.
Yeah, you're right. Oh,
Oh.
okay.
Do you look at your keyboard when you type?
No.
Where do you look when you type? Because I just saw an error show up and you just started typing for like 4 letters before you realized you weren't typing. Where
I was staring directly at the screen.
You were just like, you had like 4 seconds of reaction time.
It wasn't 4 seconds.
It happens, man.
Now I forgot what I was
Oh,
doing.
yeah.
You distracted me.
You were adding super, to the
super,
ready
yeah. Now where? Oh, okay. Oh, it's still running. Why is it? No, I don't know. I don't want to do that. Okay. Where was that error? What is it saying? I guess that's fine. We do actually have to open the egg so we can change something. Egg handler? No. What am I looking for? I don't know.
I don't know. You have like an error somewhere, didn't you?
Oh wait, I think it was in here. Yeah. Oh duh, because there's an error here. That's why I was like, why is there no exports? I thought there was exports. This needs to be a JW ground movement driver, and we will never touch this
Whoa.
again. What? What you giggling about? Does that mean the other one also had? No, this one doesn't have a movement driver because it doesn't move. The bleh. Bleh. Sorry.
So I want to make this actually. This is for the selection. However, I want to change this.
Do do do.
Right?
Why am I shooting this guy? I didn't change anything on him.
Oh, I guess. Oh, this would change, wouldn't it? This would. In hand display. I need to know.
See, here's oh. Oh, this needs to be target.
What am I doing? What am I doing? What's rolling? This. Oh, okay. I know what's going on. I know what the issue is. It's something like if picking card, we will emit a hover. Otherwise, we will emit a card.
I need to set a reminder to Try to make sure that my mic still doesn't sound awful, because I feel like it probably does sound awful, and I don't know what to do about it. Does it sound fine through Discord?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's fine.
I just don't know why, like, through OBS it always sounds like crunchy and terrible.
Am I like going insane? Is there a reason that this isn't doing the thing that I told it to? So we've peaked card
Oh.
here.
Oh, that's interesting.
Peak selected.
For the eggs, the hitbox is small enough that, like, the bullet, I guess, goes through it slightly, so that the knockback is, like, backwards.
Oh. Interesting.
Yeah, it's kind of funny. Which that'll be fixed by if we make the knockback based on, like, the direction of the bullet, but it's still kind of funny.
Velocity of it moving.
Oh, wow, these guys are definitely a lot scarier when there's like 5 of them. Here's where mana drops would be very useful on these guys. You know, I can add that actually. I don't know why these guys don't. They should. Because it's really hard when you like have no mana to kill all of them at once. Although I guess you don't have to kill all of them at once because you have to kill the hive. I'm stupid. I forgot how my own enemy works. See, this guy slides quite a lot. But we can fix that by changing his knockback multiplier. Another thing that maybe you can help me look at sometime is like recording gameplay footage and making it not look grainy and terrible. Because I haven't figured out how to do that, and I want to figure out how to do that because I want to start posting more like gameplay stuff just everywhere. Because I looked and I realized that I like actually have barely posted any gameplay of the game.
Yeah.
On like anything, so I feel like a lot of people probably
So
don't even know what the game is about.
Is your recording like shit out?
It's just like, yeah, it seems like the bit rate's either really low or I don't know what the issue is. I don't.
Oh, I probably know what your problem is. Your recording is different than your stream, I think. Can you we can talk about that after.
Yeah, like I use a different.
Okay, we can talk about that in like 5 minutes.
I use like a different profile or whatever for record or like scene setup. I don't know if that makes a difference. I don't know what it is. I mean, I guess, does my stream look fine in terms of like gameplay? I guess it probably does.
I believe it does, yeah.
I'm pretty sure it does.
The answer is yes.
Yeah, like that looks fine. Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. It's not bad.
It's a little shit ass.
A little bit.
But I think that's because of your monitor settings as well.
Monitor settings.
Like your, because you're recording a section of your monitor and not like the whole monitor.
Oh yeah.
It's doing some weird shit.
I don't think that would make a big difference. I don't know.
It makes just enough for it to matter.
Yeah, that could be part of why gameplay footage looks weird too.
I'm curious, actually. Has Godot fixed their issue yet with window capture? Or is that still a problem? Godot editor. Let's find out. Select the window. Godot.
I'm pretty sure I use window capture for recording.
Yeah, I'm on Windows 10. Windows 10 is fucked up.
Okay.
I believe it might be a Windows 10 issue because of something. Because I can do. What is it? I can do yeah. So you can see that I can capture it over here in OBS. I can capture just Godot, I don't know if you can see this on my screen share, but there's this like
Oh,
yellow
yeah,
piss
yeah, I
border around it.
remember when you ran into that.
Yeah, actually, I can show it on my stream. Fuck it. You guys can see that I have this yellow piss border around it, and I see this on my screen, and it makes me angry, and I cannot turn it off, and I've tried everything. But, I mean, it works. If you need to just record gameplay, you can do that. It doesn't show up on the source itself, it just shows up on your monitor.
Biddy, just for future reference, I think every time that it crashes when you die, if there's a player, like it's checking for the player, I'm just adding a player null check any place that it does that, just because
probably
it doesn't hurt anything. But it's like every time, so I just started adding them whenever I run into one.
What happens when you die? How does where's player death scene? How does this
I have no clue. I'm pretty sure it just kills the player and then respawns them. I wrote the player death like literally a year ago, and I haven't touched it since.
Unready preload. Death, die, health. On health component attack received. Hit.emit. That's not.
I'm pretty sure it just straight up kills the player and instantiates a new one when you reload.
It should reload the whole thing. Is there like a player death? Is it this thing? Yeah. Okay, so how are you? As player death. Now we're in the code. We'll take a look at. Oh, okay, so there's a packed scene being referenced in the player scene. So there's some component somewhere in here that's saying, I bet it's this, isn't it? Is this? Okay, so it's instantiating this scene whenever the player dies, whereas what should actually happen is we should change scenes when the player dies, or we should. There's a couple things that we can do.
Yeah, and we'll like redo all of that when we actually make dying do something.
Yeah, I
we'll
think
have
the
like a scene when you die and have like.
If we want to have
cool stuff,
the enemy still do things while you're dead, we could just have the player be here inactive.
Yeah.
That way, like, enemies can still see it. I think that's fine. But instead of, because what you're doing is you're just instantiating this and it shows up over top of everything. Instead, this would probably be a different scene if you wanted something like this, but it's not a huge deal. So I was just like, why is
that was just like temporary.
Yeah, temporary. These are not going back down, and I know why. It's because I need to go to the hand, into the hand display. And if it is that card, do that, else visual dot finish peak, mayhaps. Visual dot start position. That's probably wrong to do, but if it works, which it doesn't. Oh, cool. It's fine. I can do tween to target.
Meow.
There we go.
Whoa. Ooh, that looks nice.
Yeah, they're missing the selection, but
Oh, that's terrible. Okay. Fortnite.
why are they not? Oh, I'm not sitting there. I didn't expect that. Do I have a function that I can call that does exactly that? I see.
Wait,
Yeah,
wait a second. I should make all the enemy movement drivers, extend enemy movement driver, right? Or, yeah. What's even in here? Okay, it literally just has enemy info. This should probably have That's 2.
It
Yeah,
could,
so that way it
doesn't-
can get like
doesn't
the
right now,
info.
but it could.
Yeah. I was checking. Because I realized that I want this
knockback.
to set the knockback and stuff, yeah. But like this one, the JW ground moving driver, extended from the regular movement driver, so I want that to be the not regular movement driver. So
why is that
now I can
basic
do
there?
this. Copy. Let me go ahead and paste these. Alright, no, I don't want to do that. I'll go and put the stats in so that way I can access I was gonna go ahead and add the knockback stuff so that way don't have to do that later. Soggy Dante Croissant playable win. I don't know if I can like legally do that. Unfortunately.
I love soggy croissant. Soggy croissant is my favorite.
I can have Noodle Cat or Wet Noodle or whatever you called me. Meow.
Okay. Okay. So that works. I mean, not really, but like. New deck.gd. Oh, cool.
Meow.
Thank you.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Okay, these aren't doing anything yet.
Meow.
This isn't
Meow.
doing anything.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Okay, alright, buddy. Okay. Alright.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Alright.
Meow.
Okay, bud.
Meow.
Okay.
Meow. 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 Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, no. I didn't know that. Yeah, no, that's cool, dude. Sick.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait.
Bleh. I think what I should do is if I update my little guy, I should have like my regular model be like a normal guy, and then have like a cat off to the side, and then write a script that like detects if I'm meowing, and if I meow, it's like the cat meowing, and if I don't meow, it's just like the regular guy. Do you think I could do that? Is that practical?
Sure, dude. Yeah. No, you can write a script for that. And
Yeah,
by,
I can write a script.
And by you going, oh yeah, you know, I could write a script.
If meowing,
it's yo, Biddy, can you write me a script for this?
I don't think either of us know how to do that.
It's just phonemes or something.
Yeah, there are. Actually, I know I watched a video about this recently.
Yeah, like word recognition isn't like the hardest thing to do. We've been doing it for like a gajillion and a half years.
The funny thing is like apparently you can like hack it so that way you can make random sounds that actually have frequencies in it to like activate voice activated things without it being like the actual voice. It's really weird. Like I don't know how it works, but I watched a video about it like a month ago. Call me Wilson the way I'd be watching random videos about random things that are relevant to my life but are still really cool.
True.
Right, Wilson? Are you there, Wilson? Twin? Are you there, twin?
Wilson, if you can hear me, Wilson. Save me, Wilson.
Save me, Wilson, if you can hear me.
Why is this not
We're really funny.
triggering?
Meow, meow, meow.
Vertical direction. Shouldn't you be moving downward? Shouldn't this be like, yo, dog? Time to be 0.
Meow, 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 meow.
There we go. That works.
Okay, I can't meow that high.
Yeah, okay, buddy.
See, this is my streamer hack. If I just meow, there's no dead air.
That's kind of true.
I figured it out, guys. I've figured out how to stream. It's
I
over.
always want a card down here to be selected, right?
Now that I figured out how to stream, I forgot what I was working on. Oh, I was going to copy a line of code, but I don't remember where the line of code is that I was going to copy. It's in It's in here? Oh, it's here. It is. I got it. I got it. Don't worry, guys. I found it. You know, everybody was super worried. Oh, wait. No, I don't put that there. I don't put an export range in the ready function. That's not where that
No,
goes.
probably not. Yeah, I don't think so.
Okay. Okay. Wait, no, that's enemy info. We don't want enemy info. I don't want that either. This should be enemy stats. I love Godot. Godot is so cool. Knockback should go. We'll put it at the bottom, I guess, since it's like ranges. Okay, there we go. Now we have knockback, and that is. This is so nice. I like having all of the parameters in like one place where you can just change all kinds of stuff, except for the fact that like half of these don't actually do anything.
Yeah. Ideally, though, it's pretty cool.
Although, wait, no. It's just because half of them don't do anything because this guy doesn't do anything. Why do we have player engage distance? What is this from? What is this for?
Who fucking wrote that? Is that specifically for that guy?
Yeah, I think so. Is there a way to like open up the...
It's just for the hive stats.
Is there a way to open up like the script for this?
Yeah. You click on scroll down a little bit. And click on the resource thing. Oh, that's just the path. Oh wait, that's not the script.
Yeah, that's not what I asked.
Can you
I guess I could
right
just...
click on one of the properties? I'll find out for you.
Meow meow meow.
Uber egg.tscn. What you got going on, buddy?
Oh wait. This is different. Let me just look up stats. Oh, it's hive stats. It's hive stats. Hold up. I think. Oh, wait, this also needs to be stats. I think it might have been because I wanted to make it generic. Like, kind of.
Yeah, I don't know. It might have been so that the thing doesn't spawn whenever it's across the room from the plane.
That's, yeah, maybe I was originally going to do that, and then I didn't end up doing that. Let me just look. Is this anywhere? Is it
No.
player? Oh. Oh, you just did that.
Yeah, I did. It's nowhere.
Okay. Yeah, I think I was
this
maybe
anywhere?
originally
No.
planning to do that, and then I didn't. Okay. So that's fine. This is the delay for that. This is the hatch time. Does that make a difference? I thought that was supposed to like pass it down. I think that was also something that I changed. Yeah. Yeah, because we didn't want to have the hive in charge of what the eggs do. Okay, let me just change that while I'm thinking about it. This is egg stats. Oh wait. So, what?
Hmm?
Huh? Wait, no.
What you doing?
What? Egg stats. So egg stats doesn't have player engage distance.
Mm-hmm. It's the hive.
Oh, yeah. I'm looking at the wrong thing. Okay, so you don't
It might
need...
be Betty bedtime for you, brother.
like
I
I haven't been doing recording quality.
Yeah.
Quality. Okay,
I'm
so we
so
don't
surprised you
need
remembered that.
player
Holy shit.
extent. We don't need egg hatch time. I can remember some things. Sometimes. Okay, so let me finish this first. Hold up. Did I already make this work? No, I didn't make this work. So all we want to do is knockback decay rate is equal to stats dot knockback decay rate, and what's the knockback? What is it called? Knockback multiplier. That's what it is. Yeah.
Brother.
Do I need to like null check these if the states doesn't exist? If
Ideally, I think the answer is no. Although,
I think
well, are those generic?
Yeah.
things?
Or what?
Are the stats knockback decay rate and knockback multiplier, are those generic?
Generic.
Like, are those on the base enemy info and enemy stats? Or I guess enemy stats specifically. Control click enemy stats for me.
Yes, they are on the base enemy stats.
Okay.
But
that's
if
fine.
what if the enemy stats doesn't exist?
It will.
Okay.
If you control click on enemy stats. No, the field. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Target.enemy stats. Line 9. Enemy
okay.
stats. Oh, that's not gonna. Oh, because it's not a. It doesn't know that target's an enemy. Control P base enemy.gd. Oh, I guess it's enemy base. Sorry. So enemy stats has a getter. Oh no, it doesn't. Shit, never mind. Enemy info does. So it will need a null check right now.
Okay,
Or
fine.
you could just copy what the getter has, and replace enemy info with stats.
Okay, but just the getter. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
you have to add a colon after enemy stats. Yep, where your cursor is right now. Yep.
I'm sorry. I was just trying to like look at the other one. Like, wait, how does this work? This.
And then you
needs
can
to-
yeah change those to stats. You got it. And then you'll need to declare a enemy stats thing like on line 13. Copy paste that above the export
Okay.
and change it to stats.
Above the export.
Yep.
Oh, here. Okay.
And change that to enemy stats.
Yeah. Okay.
But that's just kind of a failsafe of if we don't define enemy stats, we'll just have the generic one. Ideally, it should
okay,
always
that's
be
nice.
defined, but
Okay, I like that.
Yeah.
Space between
Yeah.
these. Oops. Yeah. So now that means they go to the hive. Let me double check. So here I changed those. Let's reset those. Now if we go in here and set this to like 0.5 and this to like 15, that should make the knockback a lot less. Oh, nope. Oh,
You're holding. That's funny.
well, how did I do that? Oh, nice. Sometimes I wonder how I'm so smart. I don't know what about
And I wonder
if you know
what
it means.
trying to assign a value of type
Enemy stats.
Oh shit. Sorry, I led you astray a little bit. Can you go back to the enemy file? Enemy base.
Base enemy. Bleh.
Yeah, and can you copy the setter from enemy info as well?
Yeah. So wait, why do we need this?
And then change those to stats as well. Because it's if you have assigned it inside of the editor, we want to actually. Oh, you don't need to do the duplicate. Sorry, you can do
Like this.
Yes, you can do that. Yeah, and the reason is because the export hits the enemy stats variable directly. Honestly, there's a couple of things that could be changed about that. That could have just been like a. I
This
sorry. Yeah, I'm a little bit of a dumbass, man.
Just a little bit. That's okay.
Yum 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 yum.
There we go. He has less knockback now.
Yippee!
Honestly, you could probably even have a little bit less. Let's try that. If I made the hive guy like hop around like the squash from Plants vs. Zombies.
Alright, buddy.
He was like kind of the design inspiration, I'm not gonna lie.
I see it.
Yeah.
It feels kind of weird having him move around, I'll be honest.
It's weird when he's like on the platform, but I think it makes sense. Wait, we can hit him from below too. I want to see how that looks.
Below shots.
Below shots. Well, stop spawning. Oh, he doesn't like hop up. I guess his gravity's high enough that it doesn't really do anything. Dog, these things are actually so annoying. Especially since they don't spawn mana when you kill them, so like you don't get... Let me add that. Just copy it from... It's so nice just having like components that you can just like be like, I want this, and you can just drag and drop it in and it magically works. Why don't I have this guy open? You are Fire Goober Spawn. The best name of all time.
Mm-hmm.
And now we add our health component. And then we change these. You should... that's good, I guess, yeah. We'll keep it the same. Actually, let's go and add this to the hive while we're at it. The eggs will not drop. Man, do you think the eggs should drop mana? I know it's like a completely useless question, but do you think the eggs should drop mana?
Sure.
It shows like could lead to a strategy of like spawn camping the eggs to like get infinite mana, but that's kind of fun and I kind of like it.
What do you mean spawn camping the eggs to get infinite
Like,
mana? Why would you do that?
Because that way you can get recharged mana faster, because they have very little health. I mean, I guess if they drop a small enough amount of mana, but like maybe it's stupid. Maybe it's not practical, but like
I'm not sure, to be honest with you.
yeah, it's interesting.
You know what'd be kind of funny actually for the eggs?
Uh-huh.
What if they actually just like... What if they had really high knockback scaling so that like you kind of had to chase after them as the player?
That would be really annoying. So on here we'd make the knockback what, 2?
Like 5.
Like 5?
Yeah.
Is the egg right? Oh, okay, I guess it's just the saved thing. It's funny, the spawn, the saved thing is the...
Yeah.
Wait, why is he staring at me like that? Bro's peeking through the window. Should the decay is fine though, right? Yeah. The decay is fine though.
Oh yeah.
Let's try this. I feel like with this I could also increase the hatch time a little bit, but so that way you like more time to kind of chase him down.
Yeah.
Oh, that did like nothing.
What? Oh. Are you actually using that multiplier from the enemy? That
Hmm?
seems very low for
Yeah, that doesn't seem right.
something is wrong.
Um,
Are you actually using that multiplier in the movement component? You might not be. I don't think you are.
Movement
In the
component?
base apply knockback function.
You're probably right, yeah. Yeah, you're right. I only changed the, where's knockback? Here, so we just do this times knockback multiplier.
Would no. No.
Wait,
No.
no.
It would be
Yeah?
in the add knockback force,
Oh.
right? I mean, would that make a difference?
No, it wouldn't
It
make a
would.
difference.
Yes. Would it
Oh,
not be
yeah, it
one?
would. No, it wouldn't.
No.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no, it wouldn't. It wouldn't make a difference.
It wouldn't make a difference, but it's better to do it
But
there,
yeah, this
I
is
think.
better. I like that better. Yeah, you're right. Bitlytic is right for once.
For once, yeah.
Wilted Rose.
Never happens ever again. I like the way you keep putting that motherfucker on the platform as if it makes it easy to chase down the egg.
Well, there we go.
Honestly, maybe not a bad idea. Just like a little bit longer hatch time, a little less knockback.
So less knockback than
That's
this?
fun. A little less knockback, yeah.
Okay.
And then a little bit more hatch time.
Hatch
Or maybe
time
even
will
like,
make,
could have it do whenever it takes damage, it like
8
adds on to the hatch
seconds.
time, maybe? I don't know.
Nah, that would be weird.
Yeah.
Because then if you just like, I guess you couldn't hit them infinitely, but no, I don't like that. So then this would be like 3. Yeah, well, 3 should be good. Oh boy, I can't wait to balance this game. That's gonna be so fun.
Mm-hmm.
Just kidding, we're not gonna balance it. We're just gonna like add a bunch of overpowered stuff and hope people don't mind. I think the gun actually does less damage than your regular attack. Wait, do these guys actually drop mana? What do I think about it? Do they? Do they not? Oh yeah, they do. I'm just instantly picking it up because I'm like within range of the thing.
Sorry.
It's very satisfying. Oh no, there's another one. Why did you respawn? It's over for me. I have no mana. Yo, how long have you been developing for? This game, it has been 17 years. Just kidding. About almost a year and a half now, right? Kind of.
For you, yeah.
For me. For you, like 2 weeks.
Half a year.
Half a year. Feels like 2 weeks.
It's been almost half a year. Well, it's actually been like 4 months? No, 4.5-ish.
I don't know, maybe.
Looks good. Thanks. Yeah, he drew the art. And I'm doing programming for it. It also has some good sounds. I'll turn on a little music for him real quick. I haven't touched music in a while. Oh shit. I can't. Oh no, dude. Hold on.
How long ago do you start game development? Like game development in general, I assume?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. For me, like, I guess it depends on what you define, but I'm working with
Oh.
Godot and like doing actual game dev stuff like 2 years, 2.5 years, somewhere around there. But I've like messed with game dev stuff with like Scratch and things like that since I was like in middle school. So, a while. Well, that works now.
I'll check cards real quick and then redeal.
But
kinda
you don't
wanna
have the
change-
knockback.
I don't have the knockback. I also had to open up the last exported version of the game that I had because I actually can't use cards in my version right now because it changed to the systems I'm making.
It's funny. Oh, those particles look so bad. I hate those.
I don't know. I kind of fuck with them. Just a little bit.
No.
Why did they show up there?
I'm sorry, but no, they look terrible. Like sometimes you're allowed to have a different opinion. This is not one of them. Like the ones that I added need some work, but like those are terrible.
He hates this. I have been in game development for... Oh my god. Let me do math real quick. I hate that I have to do that. It's 2025 now. I started in like 2018. So like 7 years. 6 years out of college, unfortunately. Which is a terrible number to have to say. These guys need clarity, I'm thinking. Like even with the... Let me turn off the debug text. I can't do that. I didn't add that to the menu yet. Like, there's a lot of things going on. I'm kind of thinking like maybe they shouldn't. Like that guy is really hard to see in the ground still.
Yeah.
Outside of the debug text. He's also showing up behind certain things. Like he shows up behind this. I'll see if I can get him to loop around into it. Come on, man.
Yeah, I need to figure out the layering a little bit. Yeah, I saw it. Interesting. Yeah, I think we need to rework him at some point. We might honestly just keep him out of the playtests, depending on how we're doing.
The boss who dies in a hit. I didn't know that. Okay. I think that might be productivity for the night. To be honest with you. I'm starting to get to the point where I'm like, man, I want to play Caves of Cud right now.
Yeah, I agree.
And I also need to fix you with re-recording issue. Okay. I think that's where I'm going to call it, though. Do we have people to send over on Twitch? Sorry for... It seems like a couple of you just got here. The answer is no. So we're just going to end the stream, which is okay.
That's awkward.
All right.
Rip.
I will catch you guys later. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for checking out the development of this. We will be back on Sunday at 2.
Yeah.
EST, probably.
I think we did 2 last
something
time.
going on Sunday? Oh no.
Sure.
Yeah, we did 2 last time. Well, you did 2. I did 2:30.
Well, yeah, that's because you slept. Okay. Good night, everybody.
All right. Good night, people.
Meow.